Let's go. Alrighty, Allison. Good morning, Allison. Good morning, Peter. Tesh. Good morning, Raja. Justin. Gary. Hash. Rita. Justin. Collective. Let's go, guys. Good morning. Scotty. Steve. William. Let's go. Let's go, William. Aloha. Good morning. Let's go. Chris. Hello, Chris. Hello, Luke. TD. Hello, Dan. Slim Dan. Hello. Ben says good morning. Good morning, Ben. Good morning, Chris. Let's go, guys. You guys did well yesterday with AMC, right? 35, 37, and 40 next. Let's see if we can hold 37 to then get to 40. Barry, good morning. Your hair is growing out. It is, Peter, I promise. Matt, let's go, Matthew. Hello, how are you? Marco, let's go, Marco. Good to see you guys. Good test. Good morning. Just give people a few minutes, and then we can take a look at cover some news, guys. Cover some news. So again, obviously we have AMC that we're paying attention to. AMC had a good day yesterday, right? So again, 35 is what we looked for the previous day on Monday. 37 was the next level, and then today's 40 would be the next level, right? So again, 35, 40, 35, 37, and 40, right? So break above 40, that would be really exciting. So Doge here had a nice little retracement, right? From broke below 33 cents, came back all the way down to 2028. Wow, 27.75. Interesting here, guys. So yeah, again, I honestly, the last little bit here, I really like what's going with Doge, right? Again, just the fact that this thing is being accepted, the news and all things like this, right? It's just being promoted really nicely here. I like that. And then VRPX, I know some of you guys are paying attention to this, so we're gonna talk about this as well here. So I know these guys have some news. For falling out. Mitch, missed you guys too, Mitch. See you guys. Good morning, Mitch. Let's see if everybody. Fabian. What's up, Fabian? Good morning, Christy. I'm selling at 27 and 35. You are? Okay. Sounds good, Fabian. Sounds good, Beth. Good morning, Beth. Morning. Yeah. A few more minutes. Give people two more minutes here, and then I can take a look at like whatever I want to take a look at the news. So I have a few tickers to go over here. Pre-market movers here. Obviously, VRPX is one of them. We also have bway, tlry, and PMCB. So I'll be taking a look at a few names here. Once the market is So once we get a few more people in here. So don't forget to smash that like, guys. Smash that like, hit that subscribe, share the link. And so there you go. And so Doge again needs to get back above 30 cents here on the daily chart, right? So if you look at the daily, we closed above 30 cents yesterday. So again, this candle here on the daily chart has a few more hours to go. So we have a bit of time to find a way back above 30 and hold above that level, and that's going to be a really good support level, right? So closing below 30 cents would be a little bit of a warning. Augie says, "Hope you are." Good morning, Augie. Good morning. Look at Slack. Oh yes. No, William. I won't be taking a look at Discord or Slack. Once, until especially now when the market is about to open, William. Yeah, maybe in a bit here. Let's go. So, Fabian, is this what you bought yesterday? This This is a super small float. I can see why this thing is absolutely flying. 265% yesterday. 265%, guys. Yesterday, and then 90% today again. That's impressive. But again, look at the flow though, right? It's 2 million shares. Like when you have 2 million shares and there's that amount of volume, like you just absolutely kill it, right? 165 million in volume yesterday, guys. And 2 million float. Yeah, absolutely. Like it's gonna explode, right? Chefs, good morning. Yeah, FOMO at 1366. Okay, nice. Nice. Good to see you finally. Take a break to catch up and some much. Augie, much needed. Like I was it was he traveled. Peter said, I traveled to get my hairline. I might get my hairline. Zero or 5% thoughts. Robert, I'm gonna take a look at Tilray. I like Tilray could be a potential scalp play here today. Theory. So it's been 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Okay, let me take a look at some tickers here, guys. So again, AMC here is having a nice little move here. So I'm gonna quickly switch to my daily chart and then cover some tickers, cover some news as well, and then we can move on. So let's start off with to the bottom of my list we go. Let's start off with Tilray. So I know Tilray has some news, right? Tilray has some really good news. Um, well, not sure if it's really good, but again, they're expanding. So Tilray is up about 6% here this morning. The fact that the reason I kind of like Tilray here is because we're sitting right around support, right? You can see here, right? Last drop here, we had a nice little bounce. Last drop to this level, we had a little bounce here. And dropping here, well, they're getting some news here, right? So again, the chart doesn't look too bad here. Yeah, we're just gonna have to pay attention to, again, $15 is gonna be a key resistance level there. We're sitting right below 14 for now. So let's see if we can open up and have a little back test and then go again. And then that might give us a potential entry there, right? So market is looking not too bad here today. So that might be a good factor there as well. In terms of news and why these guys are moving nicely here today. So today's the 18th. Yeah. So Tilray acquires majority position in amended amendment convertible notes. Shares advance in pre-market trading. So Tilray said on Tuesday, so after hours yesterday, right, that it has acquired the majority of the outstanding senior secured convertible notes of MedMen Enterprise that were originally held by certain funds affiliated with Gotham Green Partners and other funds. The company said that the acquisition provides its path, subject to necessary approvals, to obtain a significant equity position in MedMen through. I'm going to skip some of this here. Some quality private again. So these guys are just trying to grow the business, right? So that's why they're doing this acquisition here. Some backed by accelerating trends towards legalization globally. We are focused on building the world's leading cannabis focused consumer branded company with a goal of 4 billion of revenue by end of fiscal year 2024. So again, that's a quote here from Tilray. So again, they're trying to grow and they're doing these acquisitions, right? Again, Tilray is going to be one that we pay attention to. Sundas SNDL it up. Did you buy some Sundown? Oh no, I did not. Did not buy some Sundown. Is Sundown moving? Awesome. There you go, Robert. Yeah. So again, these guys are doing a little acquisition there, and the chart doesn't look too bad. So again, we're gonna keep an eye out for this one here when the market opens. Gap off the selling, profit taking, and then we can move on from there, right? So next on the list is let's take a look at this one actually, because you guys are very much excited about this one. Again, I will be honest, to be really careful with this one. Right, like 265% yesterday, and then another 95% again today. Look at this again, like one candle explosion, next candle another explosion here, right? So I will be really careful. Again, these guys have some good news as well. Let me see if I can quickly pull that up here. Let me see here. I know there's some recent news here. I know there's something. Okay, no, that was yesterday. It came out yesterday. Then some. VRPX is surging higher Tuesday after the company announced it has received a written pre-investigation on new drug response from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. So there you go. Okay. Yeah, honestly, I feel like the main reason why this thing is exploding here is because of their, again, it's a small float, right? Super small float. So again, if you want to play this stuff, I'd wait for a nice little back test there. So be really careful. Again, 265%, 100% today, right? So be really cautious with this. Again, I know Fabian is already holding this stuff, so that's a little bit different. And we have PMCB here. So PMCB here is another one, right? That's sitting right at support here for now. So if you take a look at this last, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 days here. We kind of found support at this level here, right? So that's a really good sign here. And then now we're turning around, and then all of a sudden we get some news, right? So you can always tell that these guys know when to like sometimes this stuff seems like a coincidence, but most of the time these guys know exactly what they're looking for before they drop the news, right? So again, get all the sellers out, right? Let us settle, and then we drop the news, and then we turn around here. So let me see if I can quickly pull that article here for you guys and find. So these guys are up 73%. 73%, guys. So let me see if I can find something here for you. In terms of news here. So extended rally okay, these trading view doesn't have it, but I feel like I found it earlier this morning here. So former sites are still closed, today it's looking Resulting in an impressive. The company recently announced the closing of its previously announced underwritten public offering of approximately 50 million. The public offering includes 3.5 million shares of the company's common stock. Okay, interesting. In addition, granted under 30 days, which is okay. So it's just a share raise, guys. These guys are raising money, and the market seems to be okay with that. So there you go. And they're up 70 a share raise, and you're up that much. Right. So Eat My Short says, thank you for the super chat. Good morning, family. Hope everyone is well and makes gains. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, Matt, are you holding VRPX as well? Nice, Matt. Those gains. What's your entry, Matt? What's your entry? Thank you, John, for the super chat. Thank you. Thank you, Scott, for the points. Thank you, guys. Price target for AMC, Loca again. Like there are really no price targets, right? All we can do is watch the chart and see again. Look for the next step again. 35, 37, 40. Break above 50, we're good to go, right? So again, I feel like if we break above 50, like some just key psychological levels, this thing is gonna get a little bit out of control because again, that FOMO just kicks in, right? So yeah, Matt, you got 850. Nice, good job. Good job. So we have 3 minutes here, and I have one more ticket to cover here before the market opens. So let's look at bway. So bway is another ticker here that's moving this morning. Again, this one's not as explosive as we would like. This one's up 13%. I feel like there's a reason why I like this stuff. There must be. I feel like there's a reason why I'm interested in this. Um, hmm. Yeah, this one is again before the news comes out here. This one looks like absolute rubbish, right? Look at this; it's just been trending down here for the last 2 months, right? Some absolute rubbish, and now we're getting some news here. Let me take a look and see what the news is, by the way, here. So, Brainsway, in pre-market. Okay, I made FDA granting marketing. So yesterday after the close, Brainsway's stock surged at $7.6. It's looking sharp. It is la la la. So the U.S. Food and Drug Administration yesterday permitted marketing of the Brainsway Deep Transcranial Magnetic Stimulation System for treatment of obsessive compulsive disorder. Right. So OCD. So again, these guys are getting somewhat of an FDA approval there, so that's why the stock is looking good here this morning. So yeah, You- there you go, guys. So yeah. So let's go back to what we're going to be paying attention to here today. So obviously we have AMC. So I'm going to look for AMC here. Come on. And AMC, yeah, not too bad. Not too bad here this morning, guys. Again, I'm glad we're opening up green here. So charts, AMC here, Doge here, right? So again, Dogecoin needs to break above, guys. Needs to break above 30 cents here again, and then VRPX. We're just gonna keep an eye out for, and I just be really cautious here with this stuff, guys. Right? It's had a nice run already, so just be a little bit careful here. Yep. 100%, guys. 100% after 265%. That's pretty impressive. Imagine that. Imagine that. So AMC. Okay, there you go. Let's see here. So we have about a minute here before the market opens. So let's just watch these tickers here and see what happens here. Good morning, Breezy. Good morning. Good morning. Fine. As a strong buy. AMC as a strong buy. Yeah, don't know about that. Mono. Don't know about. I remember when it was a sell. Oh no, it's always lagging though, right, Mono? Like indicator is always lagging. Uh, got stop loss at 30. Happy. Yeah, I know, right, Amber? That's pretty impressive. So less than a minute here, guys, and the market opens, and then yeah, we go, and here we go. Here we go. So AMC's yeah, again, AMC's holding 30. The test for AMC today, guys, is 37, right? Can we find a way to close above 37 on AMC here? That's going to be the question today. VRPX is yeah. So honestly, not sure where this stuff here, and it's at 31, and this thing's most likely going to get halted at some point here today. Most likely, like it has to, right? Whether it's up or down, this thing is going to get halted, and nope, not yet. So yep. Unless we get a nice little back test here, guys. Unless we settle for 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 30 minutes, I'm not gonna be touching this for now. So just gonna be watching because some of you guys are holding that, and yeah, we go from there. So again, AMC is holding 37, so I'm completely fine here with this. completely fine. And Doge is just going sideways here for now. So right, so again, in the next a little bit here, we need to break above 30 cents, right? Just to hold that level, just to hold, just to close above 30 cents and build support above 30 cents, right? So as AMC is going for 38, and here we go, guys. Here we go, 28 on VRPX. And so are we halted yet? Not yet, not yet. So and AMC looks good there. Again, some the levels, guys. The levels. Lays ahead 50 shares of that stuff. Amber. Amber. Oh no. And you got. Oh man, that would be frustrating. That would be honestly like yeah. Guys, don't forget to smash that like, guys. If you haven't yet, smash that like, hit that subscribe, and share the link, please and thank you. Please and thank you. Of course, I just like seeing it is Mono, I know. Here we go, guys. AMC is above 38. So I know we have some levels, right? So again, we've talked about, right? If this thing can find a way to break above, $35, like we talked about on Monday, and then we're looking for 37, right? Find a way to close above 37. What are we looking for? We're looking for $40 here, but we have some other levels to pay attention to as well. So we need 38.20, and then we need 39 as well, right? And then for ultimately, we need to break above $40 there. So it's gonna be an interesting day here. So are we halted? Not yet, guys. Wow, guys, look at this. Look at this. 32, almost $32 here, guys. And back to 31, right? It's gonna be very crazy like this, guys. So it's just yeah, so just be very cautious here. AMD took Viagra. Oh no. 2 million in volume. Yeah. 2 in volume. And yeah, so again, AMC needs that 38.20 level, and then we're looking for 39, right? Some don't be surprised again, right? So today at the close, right, we at least minimum, right? At least to maintain the momentum here, we need to hold 37, right? 37. If we break below the close below 37, and then tomorrow we're looking to go back down to $35, right? So again, in order to hold the momentum here and keep going, we need to hold 37. We need to start pushing back into the 40s. BTC is bearish. We'll take a look. And here we go. Here we go. Come on, AMC. Come on. Yeah, we're hitting that level, right? You can see exactly what we're hitting for now, guys, right? Again, 1, 2, 3 candles, hitting exactly 38.20 and backing off because, yeah, we do have a level of resistance there. It's not the strongest of levels, but it's going to act as, look at that, guys. Exactly to resistance. And then now we're fading back below 38 there, right? So again, we need to clear this level and then we should be good to go, right? So again, if you're looking for entries, these levels are supposed to help you look for where not to get in, right? So you're not getting in at 38.20 because there's some resistance there. You're looking for a nice little backtest instead to get in, right? Or confirmation above the level that we broke above, and we're good to go. And 28.50, guys. Look at VRPX again. It's all over the place, so I would be really careful. Again, give this thing some time here to settle, please. And thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, at 28.20, guys. 28.20. So I would be yeah. Have but not enough. Yeah, I know. Uh, glad I'm on for this, Fabian. I know. Yeah, it's gonna be Fabian. I know you're holding it, so I'm expecting a halt here at any moment here. This thing is gonna do some rubbish, and it's gonna be halted so any moment here. And AMC, guys, here we go. AMC, come on, destroy it. Come on, not yet, guys, not yet. 38.20. There we go. Finally. Come on. Are we going to do it? Yeah, we are. Right. So again, 1, 2, 3. On the full try here, AMC breaks above that level. Now the question is, can we confirm and hold above? And then we're looking for 39 and the same. Yeah, right. So let's see. Let's see here, guys. And Doge is looking like it wants to go back down to 29 cents here. So interesting. And come on, apes. Let's go, apes. Come on, AMC. Let's see some AMC emojis, guys. Let's see some apes. Let's see some ape emojis, please. Thank you. Yeah, there's Amber. Amber knows. Amber knows, guys. M Sense wish. There you go. J, yeah, PMCB. Okay, I'll take a look here, guys. Might good to see you. Good to see you. Was looking for you. I know, Jay. I know. We're back. Good to see you, Jay. Good to see you guys. Good to be back. 38.45. Let's go, AMC. Come on. Let's go. Finally, guys. Finally, let's get above 40, right? 40 is the ultimate level here. If we can get above 40, that would be very much impressive here. So yeah. We actually did the 2 cent drop. Oh no. Sounds good. Here we go, guys. Look at that. As soon as we break above that level, guys, we get a solid green candle, right? Solid green candle. Again, $39 is the next level here. 39, right? So You go. And for me, honestly, don't be surprised if we come back down, guys. Again, whenever we break above a key resistance level, usually we come back down and test and hold before we go again, right? So don't be surprised if we come back down and test 3820. Yeah. So again, seems like this candle almost did it here. So that's going to be very interesting there to watch. And yeah, this thing's just not VRPX and Fabian is just not giving up yet. It's not giving up yet. So yeah, watch $30 if Fabian. If we can't get back above $30 here soon, and then this thing might be done. Like it just might be done. If we don't get above $30 here like very quickly, it might be people might panic. People might just panic and sell and get out here. So just be cautious there. $30 is what's needed there. You're back, and so am I. Good morning, D-Lip. Let's go. Let's go. Nice. Tlry is down. What's going on? M-Sense, I'll take a look at Tlry here. I just yeah, it's hard to like again like like watch all the tickers here, especially in the morning because like there's so much movement, right? Leslie says, good morning, Leslie. AMC to the moon. I love popcorn again, as long as the shorts are paying for it. Steve, yeah, I'm sure we all love popcorn, guys. If we're all sitting in green, so yeah, that's the only. But if we're losing in those positions, then popcorn tastes a little bit different. A little bit different. And here we are, guys. Again, don't be surprised if we come back down and test this level, right? So again, nice break above, come back and test and then go again, right? So let's see if we can hold this level here now. If we can do that, that looks a little bit more stronger, right? So again, test support, resistance break, come back and test it, hold a support, and then go again, right? So this candle has about another 30 seconds to it, guys. So we're just gonna be watching here for now. So not quite holding yet. So we still need that confirmation. So we have about another 27 seconds here to see if we can hold this level and then keep pushing, right? So there you go. Good morning, Debbie. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Let me take a look at a few of these other tickers here and see what they're doing here. So, oh wow. Okay, no, that never mind. Never mind. Yeah, Tilray is slowly retracing here. So for me, if you're looking to get into Tilray, what I would be looking for is right some high day on this thing here is 1406 here. So what would potentially be looking for is again a reversal, right? So you can clearly see here that we're trying to build support here around 1350. So that might be 1360 here. So this might actually be a good entry level here. Again, that's none of this is financial advice, entertainment only. But again, just looking at these candles here, right? Some again nice open, right? Gap also selling. It's expected that people are going to take profit, right? So people take profits when the market opens. And then you can see here that we're trying to find support. So again, maybe potentially here, right? 1360. And then if we can find a way to hold this level and break above 14, we're good to go. Hold 1360, break above 14, we should be good to go here. So on Tilray, so there you go. And then we have these guys here. Wow. Yeah, these guys actually look very good. So again, forget the profit taking going on here, guys. There's no profit taking going on here on huh. Interesting here. Fabian, let me know if you have any questions about VRPX here, or Matt. I'll take a look. But yeah, I just want to put this up here for a bit. I might just have to replace Doge for a few minutes here and then go from there. So maybe I'll do that actually. So we'll leave up so I'll take off Doge for a little bit here and then watch VRPX in the middle here. So there you go. There you go, guys. So we're back. There we go. Okay, yeah, needed, much needed. So again, finally back above $30 here. So it still looks good here. So right. Wow, this thing's honestly impressive, but again, it's super low volume though, right? Super low float, sorry, super low float. It's expected that this thing is going to be super volatile like this. So yeah, are we halted on this? Yeah, we are. Wow, PMCB guys, one of our pre-market movers here. Again, these guys have some barely any news, right? So these guys are actually raising money, right? They're raising money, and the market seems to love what they're doing. So it's interesting here. 113%, guys. So we're halted for now. Nothing we can really do here, other than just watch it. So there you go. And AMC is back below, guys, back below this level. So not quite getting that confirmation yet, right? That we're going to hold 3820. If we can test 3820 and hold 3820, then we're good to go for 39. Not quite ready yet, though, right? So again, the minimum today, right? Minimum today for AMC would be to hold $37. If we can at least maintain that, and then we're still okay, right? We're still on track here on a positive little reversal here, right? So that is what I'm paying attention to. VR halted up. Let me see here. Are we halted? Oh yeah, we actually halted in both of them, guys. Again, there's the halt. There's a halt, guys. So VRPX halted, PMCB halted. Oh yeah, so you know, interesting. Java says look at GLG. Sure. GLG. Up 24%. Wow. Actually, that TD holdings, Java. Okay. It doesn't look bad at all. It's just the penny stock for me, Java. I know I don't like to watch that stuff. It can be very dangerous, Java. I say is wow, man. So you gotta say wow because of yeah, VRPX. That's pretty impressive, man. Pretty impressive. Moving on about time. Let's go. Troy. Okay. Good morning, Ruth. Good morning. Good morning. Got into at 4 a.m. this morning. So at one float. Yeah. Augie, I know. I like the super small floats, Augie. Possible entry, Mike. Okay. Again, Mike, we're currently halted, right? So currently halted on the way up here. This thing is up 113%. So I feel like Mike, if you can get if you can get something like this, because again, this is it's a super small float. These guys actually have some news, and we're just going straight up, right? You can take like we've had one red candle here in the last word here, right? In the last 30 minutes since before the market opened here, one red candle. So this thing has some very positive momentum. So but again, I would wait for a candle like this to look for an entry, right, Mike? So wait for something like this instead of trying to FOMO here, because again, obviously halted now, nothing you can really do here. Just be careful, right? We're up 113% here, so just be a little bit cautious. And AMC needs to get back above $38. Needs to get back above, guys. You sold Adilip. You sold. I bought at 850. Wow. So did that market open today? Adilip. Wow. Yeah, you played that nicely, right? Again, gap ups are for selling. You could have almost bought back. So that you sold market open at 38.64. You could have almost bought back in at 28, right? So yeah, not a bad decision there. So well, I was literally about to take some games out of and halted again. Robert. Oh no. That's okay. Again, it's halting. It's halting on the way up, right, Robert? So that's a good sign. So you should be okay then. Should be okay. Let me take a look at some of these. Good morning. Good morning, Sean. Good morning. Morning. AMC close. Let's go. Yeah, $40, guys. $40 for AMC today. Well, first of all, we need to break these smaller levels, right? So yeah, trying to at least hold green. So again, that's a first step. We know AMC likes to do stuff like we drop when the market like we have a nice little run. We drop and then we drop into 9:15, and then 9:15. After that, we have a nice little run, right? So let's see if that happens here, guys. So in the next 2 minutes here, in the next 2 minutes, let's see if we can get a nice little candle here on AMC, because that's what AMC likes to do. So let's see if we can do that today. What's your view on Doge dumping? Doge dumping again, like Doge has had a nice run. We're retracing now again, potentially hold 28 cents there and then rebound from 28, right? So we can need to Doge for now looks fine to me. And 1 second here, we're unhalted, guys, on this stuff here, unhalted on the way up. So again, we continue at 124%, guys. 124%, 127%, 128%. Again, honestly, like I would be waiting. I would be really careful and waiting for a pullback, guys. I would be waiting. So, and AMC continues to drop here, right? So 38.20, 38, 30, 37.33. So in the next, what is it? We have about another minute here, and then we should be able to turn around here on AMC. 132%, guys. 136%, $8. Wow. 140% on that ticker there. That's impressive. That's impressive, guys. Give me a second here. I just want to quickly uh PMCB. 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. I'll be right back. Uh, la, PMCB. Bway. There we go. And also unhalted on this thing here, guys. Wow. Wow, 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 guys. We have some crazy names on the list here today that are just absolutely killing it on low float. Do you guys notice the difference here, guys? Again, these guys have a share float of 1.2 million, right? Super small float. VRPX it has a share float of 2.22 million, guys, right? Again, that's the difference. Like these super small float tickers here with news, any type of news, they absolutely explode. Like they kill it, right? So honestly, not surprised. Yeah, we halted again at $34. Nope, not yet. We are sitting at $35 here. 127% after a 200%, 250% run. This is impressive, guys. Like this is impressive. If any day, if AMC can do this, guys, that would be impressive. Like any, oh my goodness, look at that thing go. $36, guys. That's what seasoned it. Oh no, Ayo, I don't think it will. Uh, wow. $36. Again, don't FOMO, guys. Now is not the time for you to FOMO. Honestly, if you missed it, that's completely fine, right? There's gonna be another ticker like this. We see this all the time, right? It's Neuro, it's New Egg, it's this, right? So these tickers come around all the time, like any type of new super small float, and they absolutely go. It's AMC. It's gonna pass AMC. Yeah. It's gonna. I don't know if it's gonna pass AMC. Honestly, we'll see. I want to say no. I want to say no, but you never know, right? So this is impressive here. And this stuff here as well, 142%, right? So again, these guys have some news as well. Let me see if I can if you have any questions about why these things are running here, please go ahead and ask, right? Just for now. Yeah, so we're waiting for a nice little retracement on this thing, guys. We're not getting none of it, right? So again, gap up for profit taking. So we gap up. A little bit of profit taking will happen here, right? So one red candle here, guys, all the way down here to $6, and that was it, right? So one little red candle here, right, and now we're gone. We're gone to $8 here. So that's pretty impressive there. Pretty impressive. VRPX. Are we halted? No, we're not. Are we? Oh, hmm. It seems like it should be halted. No, it's not halted. There we go. Yeah. There we go. And AMC honestly is still waiting for that turnaround here. Still waiting. You can clearly see here that as we approach support here, guys, as soon as I say that, we are breaking below $37 there, right? So again, the minimum today, guys, minimum today for AMC would be, can we hold above 37 here? So well, it's always funny, right? When AMC is trying to build some momentum, we always get some crazy distraction stocks. I don't know if that's if that's just the strategy here, or if it's just a coincidence. But whenever AMC tries to build momentum, guys, we always get something that's absolutely like that's just crazy. That just explodes. So it's very interesting here. So as AMC is struggling to hold about 37 there, guys. Yeah, but we should know it beforehand. Cool. If the stock is going to the moon, you should know beforehand. Well, there you go. If we knew this stuff beforehand, cool. Yeah, that would be here we go. We're back. $36, guys, and we're halting on the way down here, right? Again, are we gonna pass AMC? Don't think so. But yeah, so watch $30 here for support, right? Potentially. Fabian, I don't know if Fabian is still if Fabian is selling and running away or just holding some. Potentially, watch if we can hold at this level here, guys. Again, this level, I honestly don't think it's gonna hold if we drop here quickly, because again, this thing is a low float. It's a momentum play. People are just absolutely FOMOing. As soon as panic sets in, this thing is gonna drop like a rock, right? So just be a little bit careful here. Be really careful. There you go. And yeah, this one's still going, guys. No, barely any red candles here, guys. Like almost nothing here. It's quite impressive. Quite impressive. A few times a week. Yeah, exactly right. This happens. Robert says this happens a few times a week. So before that, if we did, we'd all have Lambos. Exactly right. Yeah, there you go, Mindy. There you go. Yeah, guys, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't smashed it yet. Take a second, smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and share the link. Let's go. Let's go. John says hello. Hello, John. Good morning. When did you all start talk about VRPX? Just curious. Yesterday. Yesterday. Fabian started talking about it yesterday. I think Amber was talking about it as well. And then this morning, absolutely killed it again, right? So, oh my goodness, guys. We're waiting for a pullback on this thing and it's giving us zero. Like, it's like, you know what? Suck it. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Maybe we're going to get something here. Come on. This ticker looks very strong here, like very very strong, right? Some again some FDA news if I'm not mistaken here. Let me see if I can quickly find that up here. La la la. Where did I have that up here? PMCB. Oh no, these guys just did a share offering. That's it, right? So no news. We looked at it this morning already. Yeah, no news. Just a share offering. So not a whole lot going on there. But yeah, it looks very good. So again, the commonality here between these two tickers, guys, is the low float, right? Again, these guys have VRPX here. Good news. But again, the share float is 2 million, guys. 2 million. When your share float is 2 million, right? 2 million and the volume of the day is sitting at over 20 million, well obviously you're absolutely gonna kill it, right? These guys as well, share float is to 1 million 1.5 million, guys, right? 1.5 million. When your share float is 1.5 million and the volume for the day is 52 million, right? You're absolutely gonna kill it, right? So there you go. Low float, guys, can be very high flyers. So as AMC here just slowly, guys, slowly retracing lower here. So a little bit annoying here with AMC. But again, what do you expect, right? Throw around some shiny toys here. People are going to run around to the shiny toys, right? You know what? Forget AMC. Forget AMC. That's what people are thinking, right? Forget AMC, because we have things that are moving up 200% here, 134% here. Why not just run to something that's cheaper and make more gains, right? So again, that's the whole point of these distraction tickers here. That's the whole point. Yes, Chris. Yeah, I'm looking at bway. So bway had some good news as well. Again, if you have any questions about bway, guys, let me know. So I know we're looking at bway. We're also looking at tlry, right? So I think we talked about tlry that okay, if tlry can hold above, what level was that? I can't remember now. Can't remember. But yeah, tlry is slowly retracing. Slowly retracing. That's yeah. So for bway here, guys, I know bway had some news as well. We covered the news already this morning, right? So brainwave, something about brainwave FDA approval, right? Right. So market opens, profit taking as expected, as always, right? So profit taking going on here. We settle around this level here. You can clearly see, right? So again, we talk about this all the time. This is what you want to look for, right, guys? Again, do not get the gap up. Do not buy the gap up. Let it drop. Let it settle, and then you look for potential entry, and then have a stop loss. Stop loss, right? So again, we have you get in here, right? You get in that support. We have a nice little push there, and then what are you looking to do as soon as we're pushing, guys? You're looking to set a stop loss just in case we drop to this level. You're at least not getting back. You're not getting back into the red, right? So you can clearly see here that this level around 860 here is holding a support, right? So 860 seems to be support for now. Let's see if we can keep moving higher here. In terms of volume, volume is okay-ish. Oh my goodness, guys! Look at this thing. On average, this thing trades 50,000 shares a day. 50,000 shares a day, guys. This thing is going to be slow, right? Volume is a lot better here today, but honestly, I don't know if that's something I'd be looking at when I can find other tickers like PMCB here that are actually moving here, right? So I'd be a little bit cautious there. So you would be a little bit cautious. This thing again looks very strong to me, right? It's just a little flag here. Look at this, like it's just consistent, right? So again, nice some profit taking here at the open, and it's just been strong. Like even the red candles here we're getting, guys, right? You can clearly see here that we have some type of support at $8 here, and we just keep going. Just keep going and just keep going. So all-time highs for this thing, 52-week high is $55, right? So again, don't want to say we're going to $55, but again, this thing can really move here. So can really move. Can really move. Yeah, again, I know Og is holding this. Anybody else holding PMCB? Let me know. Makes you. Oh, what was my? Wish I was on it. Yeah, Marco. There you go, Star. Yeah, Star says I got PMCB at $8. Nice, Star. Again, you can clearly see where this thing finds support, though, right, guys? Again, nice push all the way to 840 here. Where do we come back to? $8. Next push, $8. Next push, $8, right? Over and over and over. So yeah, this thing has some type of support at $8 here. But again, just keep in mind that we're still up 100 and something percent, right? Like that's a huge run already. So just be careful here, right? So again, some type of support there. Let's see if this level holds and we keep going. So here we go, guys. Here we go. We're breaking below $30 that we talked about, right? So again, this level is not the most reliable level. Why? Because this is just a pure momentum play. It's a pure FOMO play, guys. So again, just be really careful here because yeah, once the thing starts dropping, guys, it is gonna drop like a watermelon, like a watermelon from the rooftop, guys. From the top, let it drop, let it. There you go. AMC is trying to get back about 37 there, guys. So to $10, PMCB, yeah, PMCB to $10. You got some brown? Okay, nice. I got some at 6J. Okay, nice. La, la, la. Yeah, waiting for watermelon from the moon. Hood is going as well, Jen. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, obviously for now, right? For now, Look at that, guys. Guess what happened on that candle there, right? So we came back all the way down here to $8 as well. If you take a look at this candle, look at that nice push, all dropped to $8 again, and we hold $8 as well again. So again, $8 is acting as support for now. But as soon as this level breaks, right? So again, if you're getting in at $8 here, just be careful because as soon as this breaks, we might have a nice little retracement, right? So again, we're holding $8 for now. So if you're getting in at $8, make sure you have a stop loss in mind, make sure you have a plan, and then go from there, right? So again, we've had multiple chances, right? So again, it's eight, and we're holding and holding and holding, right? So again, the question is, can we hold this level here today and push from here? So chart looks very strong though, right? Looks very strong, very very strong there. So yeah, let's keep going, please, and thank you. Do it for the people. Do it for Star. Do it for Brown and everybody else holding. Mr. Roadside listening to no no, no, Mr. Roadside is just the WAP song had in the paints. It was hard and the paints, guys. I'm sorry, guys. Spitting all the mad rhymes. Let's go, guys. Why not? It's so common, right? That you just like some things are everywhere, and then it just gets stuck in your head. Then some keywords just yeah, I don't know. What will happen if someone buys all shares of such stock, low volume place? It just again like it's bond is up, so it's all about supply and demand, right? Again, the reason why these things exploding, right? Again, you can buy those same. Again, people are rotating over and over and over, right, Bonnie? So again, when someone buys, right? So when the shares potentially run out, right? Well, obviously there's always someone buying, always someone selling, right? Someone buying, someone selling, right? So again, if the supply is limited, right, Bonnie, that means, well, if the person that wants to sell is asking for a higher price, well, the person that wants to buy has to pay higher, right? So again, that is just a rotation over and over and over and over, over and over and over and over and over. Well, always someone buying, always someone selling, Bonnie. So can't really have it run out, even though it's a super small float. Right, so always that rotation going around, and here we are, guys, breaking below $8. And as soon as we do that, guys, guess what? Right, we talked about, okay, if this thing breaks below, that's where that warp song comes from, right? As soon as this thing breaks below $8, guys, guess what happens? It dropped like a watermelon, right? And now we're halted, and there you go. Now they drop from the top, right? So again, we have support, but as soon as that level breaks, guys, we drop 50 cents like right away. That's pretty scary, right? So there you go. That's the reason for those stop losses, guys. And yeah, so same thing with VRPX here, right? Below $30, so a little bit concerning for me. What's 27.15, right? If we break below 27.15, guys, there's gonna be some panicking here. We're gonna drop like there you go. And AMC, honestly, for now, just AMC just chilling. Not sure what to tell you there. Halted, right? So halted and not halted, and AMC trying. So halted twice in 25 minutes. Yeah, Ryzen, yeah. Yeah, again, it's just volatility, right? Ryzen, it's all about volatility. So if it's moving, right, based on the price moving more than 15% in less than 10 minutes, it will be halted. Even if it's 2 minutes, even if it's 5 minutes, right, it will be halted. It's all about the volatility there. Good morning, Wood. Yesterday you deserve a day but geez, I'm sorry, Wood. I'm sorry. We're back. We're back, guys. Again, would I be touching this thing, guys? Honestly, I'd be scared to touch it, right? Because again, 250% in a single day, and then today we've been up well over 100%. Yeah, you know what? Let it drop without me. I'm good. There you go. So come on, AMC. Come on. Give us 37 back. Get back to green, please. Right. So again, minimum, right? We talked about AMC today. Bare minimum here to hold to keep the momentum on track. We need to hold above $37. If we can do that, AMC still looks fine, right? So that's what all I'm asking for here today. All I'm asking for the minimum, guys. If we can push to 38 and 39, that would be amazing. But yeah, and we're still halted here, guys. Still halted. So let's see here. Good morning, Rosita. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. It was a great AMC day. It was. It was. Yeah, I saw AMC a little bit. I was like, okay, these guys are in good hands. We're not dropping AMC, holding. Okay, good. Some gains today, Barry. Okay, wow. Maybe I need to take a look at Robinhood then. Robinhood. I woke up for this rubbish. Red days, Andrew. Is it Wednesday, guys? Yeah, it is. It's Redness Day, right? As expected. Redness Day. So we don't forget to mention the drop like a watermelon from the moon. Cool. Yeah, from the moon. Let me take a look and see what Robinhood is doing. Again, for me, Robinhood needs to break above 50. Right? Is it sitting above 50? Nope, not yet. Again, Robert, not too bad, right? But again, we need to close above $50 here today. Otherwise, we're still in that lower range there. It doesn't look bad. If you bought a dip on Robinhood, I'm sure you're happy with those gains. So I'll keep an eye out on Hood, Barry. So let me know if you have any questions, Barry. But I'll keep an eye out for that ticker there. Keep an eye out. Yeah, bway. Oh yeah, what's bway doing now? What's bway looking like? Let me take a look. Don't tell me it's gone. 28%. Wow. Yeah. Again, it's super low volume, right? Super low volume. But again, bway doesn't look too bad here. It doesn't look too bad. I know bway again. If you have any specific questions about any of these tickers, guys, let me know. Right. So bway next level to watch is $10, right? $10 for bway. $10 for bway. Don't look bad, Mike. Okay. And oh, uh, were picks to show a reversal. Opener was disappointing on both. Yeah, Ryzen. Yeah, honestly, I know those two tickers have had some nice run already, especially NOV. Right, those two. That one has had a very nice run already. So, I'd be a little bit careful when that stuff runs and then it shows up on those scanners, right? Because again, the run might be over, momentum might be over. So, Hood earnings today after hours. I think. Oh, Robinhood after hours today. I did not know that. Yep, did not know that. That's going to be interesting then. Honestly, if Robinhood is pumping with into earnings here, I'd be a little bit careful, guys. Again, most of the time when things run into earnings, it's usually not a good sign, right? So it's a sign that okay, the good news is getting priced in already. So if good news doesn't come, well, it's going to lose all those gains, right? So I like plays that are dropping into earnings because that tells you that all the bad news is being priced in, and all they have to do is just do the bare minimum to go up, right? So I like plays like that instead. So if Robinhood is pumping into earnings, yeah, I'd be a little bit cautious. You would be cautious there. Uh, Marco, head out. Bye, Marco. Bye, 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 bye. Yeah, guys. Yeah. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if anything you're holding and you need any specific help with, and I can take a look. So. I'm sure at some point he'll do some rapid fire, right? So let's take a look, and here we go, guys. Again, we're on halted on this thing here and we're pushing to $7, right? So again, as soon as we break above $8, guys, this thing will drop, right? And that's exactly what's happening here. So just be a little bit careful here. I want to zoom out and see where we could potentially go to. We could potentially drop all the way to 680 here, and that might actually be an entry level there, right? Are we gonna do it? Maybe not. You can see that this candle here, previous top, right? So yeah, again, for the most part today, this thing's been consistently strong here. So are we gonna drop to 680? I'm not quite sure, but I would be patient, guys. I would be really patient here with this play here. So and this thing is now back to 27 VRPX here. So there you go. And AMC, wow, guys, look at that. As soon as the distraction starts dropping, guys, look at this. VRPX dropping, PMCB dropping. Well, guess what AMC is doing, right? AMC is turning around here, right? So distractions, guys. Distractions. People run away, right? People want to make gains in these plays that are pumping here, right? So people sell AMC and run to these plays, and then as soon as they start dropping, people run away and come back to AMC, right? So that's very interesting. That's very interesting here. Diamond, Diamond, where have you been, Diamond? Where have you been? I sent you an email, Diamond. Sent you an email. Put a stop loss. No, yeah, honestly, I would put a stop. Do you think it's crazy if I hold for day? Cause I, oh yeah, honestly, yeah. Peter answered your question already. Yeah, please just put a stop loss. Find a level you're happy with, Fabian, and set a stop loss. Because once this thing starts dropping, you might come back to like a potential torch situation there. So be careful. Come on, AMC. Hold about 37, please. I'm looking to buy in Zillow. Your thoughts on entry price? Okay, I'll take a look. There you go, Philly. All right, guys. Smash that like, hit that subscribe, share the link. And yeah, absolutely, Diamond. Absolutely. Let me take a look at a few tickers here, guys. So these names are dropping here for now, right? So which is expected, right? Profit taking. Wow, look at VRPX here, guys. 2550, guys. Again, is this, yeah, right? So again, 250% the other day, 100% here today. Well, profit taking will happen, right? Will happen. That's why I said I'm not really interested in this thing here after this run, because you're asking for trouble. Like, you're honestly asking for trouble here when you're buying these names here. After runs like this, you're yeah, it's very dangerous there, right? So let's take a look at a few other tickers here, guys. So again, let's do some rapid fire, guys. So if you're watching anything and everything, let me know what ticker it is, and I'll quickly take a look. So I know so Cool is asking for an entry here on Zillow. On Zillow. So let me take a quick look. Again, these are going to be very, for the most part, quicker than usual, right? So again, honestly, for me on Zillow here, I would avoid it for now. We could potentially drop all the way down here to $84 on Zillow. All in between like 85, right? So like in between 85 all the way down to 80, 84, 84, 80, yeah, 80, $85 here. Let's say $85 here. Again, look at the volume though, right? Look at the look after earnings here. So these guys announce earnings. Well, they beat earnings, right? But again, we know what happens, right? You could beat earnings and still potentially drop, right? So again, it's all about guidance, right? It's not necessarily about earnings. Earnings is a start, but it's guidance is very important, right? People want to know exactly where your company is going in the direction your company is going in for them to be confident, right? Look at the volume here. Why would I avoid this for now? Because, well, we've been consistently trending lower. Like, selling volume is huge as well, and we have no support around this level here. So I would avoid this all the way down to like $85. That's just me. That is just me. Just me. Again, I won't be able to take a look at all these tickers, guys. Right. So let me see here. Halted another one with super low volume. Joint venture. JH. Let me take a quick look here. So MBJH. So these guys, so Andrew says potential merger here. So these guys are halted as well, right? So potential merger. This chart doesn't look too bad here. Doesn't look bad at all. Why? Because I like what this thing is doing. You can clearly see here that the 200-day moving average is support, right? So this chart goes back all the way to last year. Look at this: 200-day moving average, 200-day moving average, 200-day moving average. Whenever we test this level, we go, right? We test this level, we go. We test this level, we explode. Well, guess what? We're bouncing off this level here again. We're halted for now, so this is gonna be, this might, okay. We're back to trading here, so this might actually be one that I pay attention to. So we're on halted, and we're absolutely killing it. So well, why? So this ticker here is killing it, right? So 40%, guys. Again, what? Wow, guys, look at this. Look at the share float again. Look, we're halted, guys. So, but look at the share float though, right? 1.45 million in terms of share float here. So this thing can actually move here, right? So this is going to be one that I pay attention to. Andrew, thank you very much. Thank you, Andrew. Yeah, guys, I like doing this because you can find ideas, right? So, Constantine says, what do you think about FLGC? FLGC has been another one that we've been paying attention to. That's had a very nice run already. That's had a nice run as well, right? So FLGC here. So Flora Group, a cannabis company here as well, right? So these guys, no, do I ever want to say anything here, guys? So these guys run all the way to, what is it, $21, guys? $21. Again, do you buy around 20? Right, closing, but again, when from you guys know how I hate buying stuff around $20, right? When we run from like the lows to the 20s, I absolutely do not touch anything unless like we close above 20 on a daily candle, and then that's confirmation of a close above. But after that, we've seen the same thing with btbt. We've seen the same thing with a whole bunch of tickers, right? So we run all the way from below $10 all the way to 21.20, and that's what we fail at, right? So do not touch those levels, please, and thank you. For now, let's see if we can test $10 here, right? So $10 obviously is a psychological level. Also, if you're getting into this thing, $10 might not be the worst. Why? Because you can see, right? So again, these things will always come back and test the previous top, right? So again, previous top here, right? So previous top, right? Nice push, fail, right? So break above and run. So we need to come back and test, right? So $10 obviously is a previous top, also a psychological level, right? So this might not be bad for FLGC here. So not bad. Not bad there. So that's FLGC, guys. Good morning, Ryan. Good morning. Good morning. Got yeah, get those numbers up. Yeah, smash that like, guys. Smash that like. Space entry, please and thank you, Robert. I would. Yeah, see the layout option. Now, okay, sounds good. Ryzen, thank you. mRNA is dropping. What is it doing? Is mRNA dropping? Let me take a quick look at mRNA here. So mRNA, I know mRNA is one that could be $13. Wow. Wow. Again, I like honestly, for me, I like it dropping. Why? Because I know these guys are eventually gonna run at some point with if the FDA comes out and approves the booster shots, right? So these guys are supposed to get a booster shot here soon, right? So if that happens, well, we're gonna resume back to $400 on mRNA, right? So Space. I can take a look at space. Thank you, brother, for yeah. Let's go, Constantine. Let's go. Up 100% today, Victor. Yeah, don't worry, we've looked at it. And yeah, so can you check Marine M Dog? My hold average is so Marine. My hold average is 1450. Oh man, and the stock is down at $5, holding a big position still. Should I try bringing down my average or let it ride? So again, M Dog, the question is, do you believe in the company? Like, why did you buy 1450, right? So if you believe in the company, the long term outlook of the company, then yeah, absolutely scaling. Bring your average lower, right? Do that if you believe in the company. But if you're just holding and praying and hoping, right? I would just let it ride. I'll honestly just let it ride them. So yeah, there's no need to add more to a position in a company that you don't believe in, right? Because you're just getting yourself in trouble potentially, right? So that would be my 2 cents. The coin, yeah, guys. I'm just new, and when the you went with the hype, M Dog. Okay, sounds good. The hype. Okay, yeah. If you bought into the hype, and some now might be the time for you to look into the company, right? So what does Marine do? Look into that. Can you find something that you believe in, and then go from there, right? If you do, and then average down. If not, just yeah, just write it out and see if you can get your money back. Yeah, SGOC is running again. Too rich for my bank. Maybe back in November, Modena at $70. I know, right? Yeah, Modena is yeah, it's expensive, right? I think that's the reason why a lot of people avoid it. But you can clearly see here, right, that Modena is holding support around 374 here, right? So again, holding, right? So we're trying to turn around here. Absolutely, actually, right, which is expected, right? Which is expected. Again, this thing has been like the most beneficial play, like one of the most beneficial plays when it comes to like the last 2 years with like COVID. Well, which is expected though, right? These guys are coming up with the vaccines, they're coming up with some stuff. The technology works, right? We know the technology works. Well, let's not go there. Let's not go there. So, because yeah. So let's go back to our takers here, guys. Let's go back to AMC, and we can do some more rapid fire, guys, in a bit here. So AMC, guys, is back to green, guys, back to green. Come on, yeah, absolutely. Here you go. And back to green on that play there. And wow, guys, we're back. PMCB is back to $8 here, right? So nice drop to all the way to $7 here, right? 720. And nice recover, right? Again, you do not FOMO, right? You wait for a pullback, right? So nice little pullback here, back to 820. $8 and 30. Wow, guys. She doesn't look too bad here now. Yeah. Again, the beneficial thing again, like when you're looking for scalps, guys, when you're looking for so 1 second here. And when you're looking for plays like this, right? When you're looking for these momentum plays, uh, give me a second. And when you're looking for these momentum plays, guys, when you're looking to buy the dip, you want to look for companies that obviously, right? Obviously are you can clearly tell that the chart is strong, right? So in the case of PMCB here, guys, take a look at the chart. Does this look like a strong chart to you guys? Absolutely right. So again, it's running and running and running. So when we do have a nice little dip here, it might be an opportunity to get in, right? So yeah, there you go. That's yeah. So you want to look for the plays that are actually strong, not just things that are dropping for the sake of dropping, right? So just be a little bit careful here. So sake of dropping. And let's see if we can hold $10, $8 here, guys. $8 now, right? Some $8, and then go again for nines. Come on, AMC hot slots. I know, right? Open, please. Open. Like the ticker symbol. Mono, is that what you want me to take a look at it? Profiteering. Oh yeah, Robert. Pandemic profiteering. Yeah. Yeah, no, Moderna's been like one of the plays of like the COVID. Yeah, so can see the current AMC price. Crazy James. Yeah, it's up now. Right. So AMC right there. 37.26. La 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 la. But no rush. Okay, Mona, I will. I'll take a look. Let's just watch these plays here for a bit. See, wow, it's up 40. It's up that much, 44%. Wow. What do you think on some calls would? Okay, let me take a look. I know there's so many tickers to look at, when it comes to the market. So I have to take a look at Open, SGOC, and then btbt. So give me a second. Doge Pump, Wi-Fi Gogs. Okay, I know it's almost like we forgot about almost like we forgot about Doge, guys. Almost like we forgot. And yeah, AMC is going to play around 37 today, right? So 37 might just be the magnet here today. So again, the bare minimum here today for AMC, guys, just to maintain momentum, right? So again, the reason that's okay is because that just shows that, okay, AMC's had a nice run, right? It's had a nice run and we're holding those levels, right? So that's a very good sign. So if we can do that, the bare minimum, that's completely okay. Even if it's slightly red, I'm completely fine with that. So either we do that or we go on a nice run here today, because if we start dropping back down to 35, that just defeats a lot of people, right? It's like, okay, man, well, here we go again. We had a nice little run again to 37. Here we go back down to where we came from, back to $30, right? It's just frustrating. But if we hold steady, and then that just builds some confidence, right? So you're waiting for 20 inches still, okay. And halted, AO, okay, sounds good. What support do you have for space if 25 breaks, Robert? I'm waiting for 20 entry. Yeah, I think 20 would be the level, and then so for me, my scaling levels, Robert, 25, 20, and then 14. So, 14 or 16, one of those two. Those would be my levels there, Robert, for space. Yeah. Again, only concern here with space is as things are going to lockdown, guys. No one's flying. If things do go back into lockdown, just like anything else, space struggles, right? Well, first of all, these guys are raising money; they're not making any money, right? And then you're just sitting in limbo and waiting, because yep. So that's my only concern there with space. The use for day trade, MDog I use. So again, the charts you're seeing right now, these are the trading view charts, and then in terms of platforms, I use TD. Recommend for day trading for beginners. I recommend. I know you guys like Robinhood, right? For beginners. Also, we have a link in the description, right? The link in the description for Weibo. So if you use Weibo, you get some free stocks. So there you go. 1 second here. Think about any. It's Peter looking for an entry. Wow, yeah, yeah. The market, so many takers. I recommend Weibo. There you go. Mono says MDoc. I recommend Weibo. So there you go. Yeah, we do have a link in the description for Weibo there, guys. Link in the description. 14 20 25. Cool. It's a special dates. Special dates. Cool. Special dates. There you go. Uh, PMCB to $10, please and thank you. Yeah, okay. Well, it's trying. It's trying to hold $8 here, right, Brown? So if we can do that and push above 850 again, and then we're ready to go. So that's what I'll be paying attention to. Hold eight, push above 850. Yeah, this thing is gonna go. So I think this one's honestly for me. This one might just be done for. It might just be done for now, right? It just might be done here. So another break below. If this thing breaks below 25, yeah, I did. Yeah, might just be done here. So I'm gonna replace that stuff there with something else. So Robinhood's still sitting below $50 there. So again, that thing needs to break above. Needs to break above 50 there. Sofi slightly green here. Zella slightly red, right? So yeah. What am I looking for here? Wish is red. A lot of the meme stocks here, guys, really struggling here today, except for SoFi. I'm looking for Doge. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. Doge. Okay, not too bad. Not too bad here, guys. Trying to get back to 29, right? Not to 29, 30 cents there. So let's see if we can do that. Let's see if we can do that. Uh, it's we. Okay, there you go. If you trade forex, there are no pattern day trade rules, Terry. Okay. bway broke 10, guys. Ayo, it broke 10. Wow. bway. Wow. Yeah, some of these pre-market movers here are killing it today. bway. Wow, we actually broke $10, guys, on bway. There's one of those pre-market movers here today, right? bway. So again, these guys have some good news. My only concern here was the low volume, right? So Doge is trying to push there. bway looks very good here, actually. Interesting. Wow. Yeah, we completely ignored this one here. Doge, well, come on, Doge. 295. Yeah, so we completely ignored this one here because of the low volume here, just because it's super slow. But it's actually looking not too bad here, right? Wow, interesting. Let me take a look at the share float here. Okay, yeah, again, the reason why this one's interesting here as well, because the share float is 1.2, 1 point something million here, right? So again, another one of these low float stocks here. again, this is just the pattern here, right? The low flow tickers like to explode. Like the low flow tickers here can really move easily. So easily. Christian says hello. Christian, welcome back. Yeah, Doge is trying to get back to 30 cents there, right? So again, if Doge can find a way to break above 30 cents here on the daily candle, that's what we need, right? And then we should be completely okay there. For new brokerage any day, more trades? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, go. Going up soon. Yesterday broke the trend. Yeah. Super chat from Arvin, guys. Arvin is like Arvin is like the Arvin. Thank you very much for. I'm just trying to say thank you very much for the support. Cause yeah, hi. Hope you're doing well. I hope you're well and rested. Yeah, absolutely, much needed, Arvin. Thank you very much for the support. Thank you for the super chat. There you go. Yeah, so again, I know some of you guys were throwing out some tickers, guys, for me to take a look at Mono. Can't remember the ticker. So if you guys can retype those tickers, guys, I know, yeah, again, you guys put in some tickers that yeah, so many things to look at, guys. I'm sorry, I forgot about those tickers. So let me know what you guys would like me to take a look at, and I can take a look at them again here. So and yeah, so bway, here we go, guys. Again, $10 honestly for me is always an issue as well. So just like $20, guys, I like to wait for confirmation, right? You can clearly tell here that we're not quite getting that confirmation above 10, right? Not quite yet. So again, $10 is always a level that I'm really patient at. For me, like when I look for $10, guys, I'd rather this thing push all the way to like 10.50 and then come back and test $10 again and start $10 and hold $10 and start pushing again for 10.50. That's how I would rather play this, right? So again, pushed it. So right now we're sitting at 1080. We pushed to 1018, and now we and then all the way back down here to 985. So my entry for this play, I would rather buy at the break of like 1020 there. I would rather do that. I would rather buy on the way up and sell higher than like try and catch the knife here. So that's just me though. Just me. No. Open. And then yeah. Okay. I think Wood was asking about btbt costs as well. So sure. Let me take a look. Beth, hello Beth. So some takers here. It's a daily chart. La. What am I looking for? Open. So I know Open is another one at Open Door Technology. So these guys had earnings last week. So this is another one of those SPACs, right? One of those SPACs. Mono. Right. Obviously, this thing has some type of support around this level, right? Mono. So again, these guys haven't been around for all that long, right? So IPO around $10 here, right? So just around $10 IPO, right? You can tell here as of recent, this thing has support around $14 here, right? Mono, right? 14 and explode all the way to 1850 here, right? 14 again here, mono, and we pushed all the way to 1850 again, same level, right? So same double bottom here, same double top here, right? So that's very interesting, right? So maybe if you're looking for an entry, maybe like $14 is your scaling level, but honestly, I would be concerned because again, this would be the third time that we're testing this, right? So that we're testing 14. Again, not a bad entry level here, but if you do get in, make sure you are having I'm just trying to say stop loss, right? Monos again, 14 is a double bottom here, so good support. Again, these guys had some good earnings, crushed it. Had a nice push, right? And now we're giving away those gains just like anything else, right? So again, what 14? If we can hold 14, that would be good then. So there you go. So back to the top here. Oh no. Loyo says lac. Let me take a look at lac. I know lac is one of those green energy plays, lithium plays there. So let me take a look here. Loyo, how are you, Loyo? Loyo had a nice play on AMD. Had a very nice play. Loyo, I'm not sure if you're holding this stuff already, but if you got in at $15, not a bad entry level. Why 15? Because that's where the 200-day moving average is sitting at. And you can see here that for the last 2 days here, we tested 15 and held 15, right? So not too bad here, Loyo. But again, my only concern here would be, right? So these guys missed earnings, had a nice push. But again, I think guidance is very important, right? Guidance and sentiment around like what the company does is important, right? So if these guys are going to the earnings and missing earnings, but saying, okay, we're going to do this in the future, and the market likes what they're saying, well, obviously we're going to run, right? So it seems like that's what happened. That's what happened here, right? So just a nice push, retracement all the way back down to the 200-day moving average, right? If you get in at 15, right, not a bad entry level. Just make sure you have a plan in place, just like anything else, right? Loyal. There you go. So 15 needs to hold, and then we should be able to turn around here. Let's see here. What else am I looking at here? Season calls. What I honestly don't know about that ticker there. Honestly, like if you're buying season calls, what I feel like that's just a gamble, right? It's just a gamble, a little bit of money that you're just willing to lose, and then see where it goes. VPRX, Bryce. We've looked at that. Now let me take a look at ran from to $6 at Jordan. Yeah. So I know this one's been so you guys remember this ticker here. So SGOC, you guys remember this Asian ticker here, right? So from a few weeks ago, right? This thing ran all the way to $28. SGOC. This thing ran all the again. This thing is capable of moving. Let me take a look at the ticker here. You can see that the line's already in because we follow this fairly closely, right? So again, this thing had a nice push, potential support all the way down here to right. So we actually broke below this level, came back all the way to the 100-day moving average. So 50, 100, 200-day moving average, right? So it seems like the 50 is what's hold the 100-day is what's holding for now, right? So you can usually tell like by what's going to hold. If you go back on the chart here, you're going to notice that again, this thing likes to come back and test the blue line, right? So the blue line is what this chart likes. Again, you can never really just solely rely on the 50-day moving average or the 200-day moving average. You have to go back in time on the chart and see, okay, this ticker, does it like the 50? Does it like the 100? Does it like the 200, right? Again, according to this chart here, this thing likes to test the 200, the 100-day moving average and bounds. Well, it tested that level exactly and we're bouncing. Would I be buying this thing right now? And even though we're up 64% right now, well, be careful. Why should you be careful? Because right now we're sitting right at resistance, right? So if we can find a way to close above the 730 level, 730, and then we're good to go. But just be careful here, guys. We're approaching resistance, so just be careful. 64%. There you go. PFE, Pfizer. Pfizer is I don't know, for some reason Pfizer. Pfizer is just not one that I don't know. Yeah, Pfizer. Here we go, Pfizer. Wow, actually, Pfizer is finally moving again. I remember first buying like Pfizer around $47, and then the CEO came out again. Like Pfizer was one of the very first companies. Like the reason I don't like Pfizer, it's just me. Amber, I don't know where Neil is. I sent him the link. Not sure where he is. Right. So the reason I don't like Pfizer is because again, like Pfizer was one of the very first names to come up with the vaccine. Like you're the very first person to come up with the vaccine, and then the very next day your CEO is selling shares. Like if you're coming up with a vaccine that could potentially save people's lives, the very first company, and the very next day your CEO is selling like shares of the company, that's very fishy, right? So these guys actually struggled for a long time, but for now it looks okay, right? So it looks very okay. These guys have been having a nice little pump here. There must be some new news though, right? Seems like people have completely forgotten about. So let me see here. So no way to offer a 16 and 17-year-old COVID vaccine. The government says no way will offer la 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 la. Don't see anything here about Pfizer. So Pfizer, okay, here we go. Third Pfizer dose 80. Okay, so they actually have news then, right? So these guys actually have news. So yeah, so third Pfizer dose 86% effective in over 60s. So okay, here you go. So there's news. There's news, right? So yeah, Pfizer not too bad there. Weekend third people vaccine. Okay, so there's a lot of vaccine news coming out about Pfizer here, and it's trying here. So if you're holding Pfizer, this thing looks okay here. So uh Derek, yeah, you got it at 850. You got Derek. Wow, good job, guys. Good job. I bought it at 60, stop loss at 580, hoping it pumps at Jordan. Okay, sounds good. Oh, you bought at 640. Stop. Okay, Jordan. As long as you have a stop loss, right, Jordan? That's not bad. Yep. So yeah, just watch at 730, Jordan. If we can find a way to break about 730 there, we should be good to go. But again, that level is resistance, right? So yesterday between there you go. Yeah. Let's go back here, guys. So I think yeah, btbt. I wanted to look at btbt here, guys. Just so we can take a look at the levels here. Yeah, no one. Let me just quickly. Yeah. So BTBT, wow, yeah, it's really struggled here, right? So you can clearly see where the levels are, right, guys, right? So again, closing below, right? You guys, again, we talked about this on the way up, right? So again, if we can find a way, we talked, yeah, right? So if we can find a way to close above $10, right? If we can find a way to close above $10, what are we looking for in terms of the next resistance? We're looking about 14. break above 14, we're looking for 18. Close above 18, right? We're looking for 20, right? So we didn't quite close above 18. So on the downside, what are we looking for? We're looking for 14 on the downside, right? Again, same level supply on the upside, same level supply on the downside, right? So again, 14 on the downside here, potentially retracement to $10 here, right? So again, you can clearly see here, right? So that we could easily come back down to $10 here before turning around to 14 again, right? So yeah, so just if you're scaling into btbt, not bad, but just be yeah, no volume in btbt, yeah. SGOC is halted again, price, yeah. SGOC halted. What did we halted at? Well, again, nothing's really changed. Nothing's really changed, right? We're halted around $7, so nothing's really changed here, right? So again, the level to break above is 730. If we can do that, and then yeah, we're ready to go. So let's go back to the main tickers here, guys. We're gonna be rotating to tickers, right? So that's why the market is exhausting, because of like all the tickers that you're looking at over and over and over. Like it can be very crazy. As AMC's trying, right, guys, trying to hold 37 there. Again, that's the bare minimum today for AMC. If AMC can hold about 37, and then yeah, okay, that just builds a level of support around 37, and then we could potentially keep moving here. So as Doge is yeah, just chilling above 29 cents there. So brainwave here, guys, sitting up below $10 for now, right? So sitting below 10, and yeah, so let's see what happens here. Pfizer, Robinhood is yeah. So failing at $50, right? So for me, Robinhood failing at $50 is a slight concern. So btbt, Pfizer. So I'm gonna put up so I'm gonna replace Doge here for a bit and put up so let me know if you need anything from Doge, guys. I can always put it back up here. I'm gonna leave this thing here for now. So SGOC currently halted. Again, you can clearly see here where we have resistance, right, guys? If we can break above that level, then that's really good. Unhalted, guys, unhalted. There we go. And drop some. Again, you do not FOMO, guys. You do not FOMO as we approach resistance. Why? Because you just don't, right? Because people take profits as we approach these levels, right? So and brainwave is pushing back for trying to get to $10 there. So yeah, let's see what happens here. And AMC, guys, AMC holding 37, right? The bare minimum for AMC here, hold 37, get above 38.20, and then we're good to go, right? 39, $40. If we can break above 40, would be very happy. Would be very nice. And yeah, so there you go. It's halted as well. It will halted, Mike. Wow. Let me quickly replace. What do I want to replace here? bway. So I'm going to replace bway here because I know more people are watching PMCB here, right? So more of you guys are watching this ticker here, rather so over bway. So if you have any questions, again, please make sure you're asking. Right? So 157%, guys. Impressive. Right, so look at the $8 level, guys. Again, $8 holding here very nicely, right? Holding very nicely. We talked about, okay, if we can break above 850 here, guys, we're good to go. Well, look at that, right? So hold 8, and we're actually pumping here now. So hold it for now. And SGOC is trying, right? So again, 730 is needed. For now, we're sitting at 880, 680. So sorry, so there you go. And AMC, guys, let's go apes. Let's go apes. You got in, Fabian? Went from a yeah, okay, nice, good job, Fabian. Yeah, Fabian is just rotating, guys, rotating back and forth. Is Johnson and Johnson a buy only? I'll take a look at J&J in a bit here. Some yeah, guys. Again, take a second, guys. If you haven't smashed that like yet, please take a second. Really helps, guys. Right. So take a second, smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and share the link as well. That would be amazing. So share the link on your stock trades and things like that. Just get some more people in here hanging out with us and sharing ideas back and forth, right? So yeah, people sharing some ideas with us, and yeah, easy gains. I see a stop. I set a stop loss. Okay, 25. I need triggered. Thank you. Okay, there you go, Peter. Nice. Yeah, good job, Peter. Peter and Fabian. Yeah, just set a stop loss. Honestly, I don't want to leave a play that volatile, Fabian. Like you're leaving, right? You don't want to leave a play that volatile without a stop loss. 240% and then another 100%. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, so just be a little bit careful. Crystal. Good morning, Crystal. Good morning. Let's pump those melons. Jesus, pump those melons. Let's pump those melons. As you see. 1 second here, guys. I just need to quickly edit some stuff here. Theory. Yeah, guys. Yeah. Good morning. Let me see. 1 second here. I just need to quickly sign in here and see what's going on here. Where to buy, Kenneth? Well, $8 was the level to buy here, right? So we talked about $8 here, right? Yeah. So again, I think so. Start button around $8 here, right? So $8 potential entry level here, especially a break back above, right? So confirmation break above and hold, yeah, $8, right? So you can clearly see here, right? That $8 again, strong chart today. $8 is holding there nicely. So yeah, there you go. Not sure how I would feel if we fail to break above like $9 and come back to $8. I think I'd be a little bit concerned there, right? So just be a little bit careful. Currently halted, and yeah, AMC guys, the apes are looking good. Larry says good morning. Good morning, Larry. Good morning. Marine and SG always run together. Marine, yeah, Jordan, SGOC and Marine. Okay, interesting. That's an interesting watch there. Here we go, guys. We destroyed it. Crushed that $9 level there. So looking good here. PMCB here, guys. PMCB. Let's go. Let's go. Just need to quickly uh cancel and share. Nah. So for those of you guys that are holding, guys, what are your targets? Like, what are you planning on selling at? Like, what are you guys planning on doing with PMCB there? Mm, there you go. Wow, wow, guys. We're actually going for $10 here. That's quite impressive. Again, you guys notice something again, and we talked about this so many times today. It's the low float stuff, guys. Like the stuff that has news and is super low float, easy to run, right? Momentum, easy to run, right? So as soon as AMC, honestly, like it's just as soon as AMC starts moving here, trying to gain some momentum here, we start this thing. It's almost like you need to watch AMC, guys. If AMC is pumping and your name is retracing, right? As soon as you see AMC pump, you almost need to start looking for an entry into back into like your momentum play because you know they're gonna try and drive it up so AMC can drop, right? So here we go. That's impressive. Are we halted again? Not yet, guys. Looking for $10 here, right? 950, $10 here, guys. Just be careful. I wouldn't FOMO him. Would not FOMO here, guys. Be careful. And there we go. Here we go. We're dropping right so 970 all the way back here down to 920, 27, right? So just be cautious here, guys. What happened there? There you go. Yeah. So wow. Yeah, and forget you're looking for $15. Okay, Tom says I'm out at 975. 975, Tom. Okay, there you go. You actually got 975, Tom, because my chart shows me 970 here for the high today here. So interesting. 975. I'm selling at the moon or break even. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, that's a strategy. That's a strategy that I use, Fabian. Like I hold stuff. I'm like, okay, either you just absolutely kill it, or I'm gonna get back out break even. Might do that sometimes. So Daryl says, Scott, this from 8 to 53 times. Just out with your attendees. That's okay, Daryl, right? That's perfectly fine. Again, you found the support, right, Daryl? Found support at $8 clearly, and you played that over and over. Nothing wrong with that, Daryl. Good job. Not yet. Okay, not yet, Tom. Okay, sounds good. Not yet. No, 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 no. Which BTC? Christian, BTC. Let me take a look at BTC actually here. Let me take a quick look at Doge and BTC. So BTC, oh yeah, sitting above 45K. Honestly, like it's not that bad. BTC above 45K is not that bad, and Doge is sitting still at 29, right? So yeah, again, these Doge needs to get back about 30 cents down there on an hourly basis and on an hourly candle, Christian, and then it looks fine there. Bitcoin is looking okay, looking okay. It's holding slightly green here for the day. Holding slightly green for the day. Let me take a look at some other stuff here. So yep. There you go. Passive day, Daryl. Nice. Yeah, nothing wrong with that, Daryl. Nothing wrong with that at all. Yeah, again, for me, AMC guys looks fine there. If we can just find a way to close above $37 here today, at least maintain the growth from $30 and hold 37. Just hold it, right. So nice little some gains here. Hold those gains. 37. I'm completely happy with that. So yeah. Only concern for me comes if AMC starts dropping back below 35. That's my only concern here for AMC. La 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 la. Yeah, guys, if you have any questions, make sure you're asking, right? So if you're scalping anything, let us know so we can potentially help you with those plays. So, yeah, there you go. And SGOC here again, guys, you do not FOMO, right? As we approach resistance, guys, as much as this thing is exciting here, right? As much as this is pumping and pumping and pumping, as we approach resistance here, guys, you do not FOMO. Like 730 for SGOC here, guys, is a huge level. So you do not buy around that level, or unless you just wait for it to break above and hold above before you look for an entry. But yeah, it's because again, look at that, and now we're down to almost $6 here, right? Let's see if we can potentially hold here $66, 610, 620 here. This might actually be a nice turnaround level here, right? So because again, nice push, recent support, right? So let's see if we can. Well, bouncing already there. So let's see if we can push from there. Again, AMC looks fine there, and this thing is 170%, guys. Wow. Imagine being in something, right, guys? Imagine buying something from like from the previous day that's up 170%. That would be that's a yeah, that's the feeling, guys. The feeling. 100, imagine like 100%, 170%, 200%, something you're in. It's pretty exciting. Please don't buy the tops. Yeah, Christian, exactly right. So buy the tops, please. Tom says PMCB stop loss 850. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds good. What time scale are these charts? Yeah, Ryzen, 1 minute, just so we can see like every little bit of the action, right? Ryzen. Yeah, if you want me to take a look at anything else, another time frame, let me know. Yeah, right. So when you guys ask me for tickers, you notice that I always go to the daily chart, right? When you guys ask me for tickers, I always go to the daily chart because the daily chart is the most reliable one, right? But again, when I'm watching for little bit of moves here, I'm looking for look at the 1 minute chart, right? But again, these levels are most likely come more again. All the levels on AMC are coming from the daily chart, and the hourly and the 4 hour charts are the more reliable. 1 second. I just watched like 5 stocks, boom, right in front of me. Jefferson, hello, how are you, Jefferson? Hello, hello. Yeah, right, Amber. Yeah, Amber is yeah, Amber, did you ascend listening hands free? Yeah. I don't know where I don't yeah, Amber, I don't know where Neil is. Maybe if you can send him a DM. I sent him a DM. Like he hasn't responded yet, Amber. So I don't know. Hopefully he's okay. Hopefully he's okay. Runners happen. Nah. My take off. Andrew. Okay. Getting involved in partnership with Alf. Okay. GRVI. Across my desk. And it's gone. Ryzen. Oh no. Find it, please. Find it. Otherwise, it's gonna find you. Can you teach how to make money in Dogecoin? Math says, can you teach me how to make money in Doge? That's a loaded question there. Honestly, I don't know how to answer that question. Can you teach me how to make money in Doge? I'll think about that. Again, like just being part of the community, Math, right? You're gonna learn from a lot of like knowledgeable people. You're gonna see how people play Doge and things back and forth, back and forth. So just hang around. What's on the chart, Derek? We have AMC on the far left. In the middle, we have SGOC, and then PMCB in on the right hand side. So, Andrew, you had a nice scalp. Yeah, it's had a nice run here today, right, Andrew? Austin, sorry, Austin. Yeah. So very nice play here. So here you go. Yeah, again, support at $8. If you bought at $8 here this morning, it's had a very nice solid run here, right? So, and now we're just slowly retracing here, right, guys? Again, nothing wrong with this for now. There you go. So there you go. And AMC just chilling here, guys. Again, honestly, for me, I'm happy with with what AMC is doing here for now. Right? Again, it's holding. That's all you can really. It's better than flushing, right? It's better than what we did here this morning, right? It's better than this. Like AMC right now is better than this rubbish here, right? So if we can just close about 37 here, even if yeah, I'm happy with it. So 37 and push. That's what I want, AMC. SGOC here, guys. Again, this thing's had a nice solid run here to resistance. Resistance, do not form, right? Potential support around 610 here, $6, 610, 620. Potential support level, right? So again, you can see the last drop here came all the way down to $6 here, right? So I'm just gonna leave a line here at $6. So 610, 610, $6 here might be a potential support level there. Let's see if that actually holds. La la. Queen, where have you been? Queen, uh don't want to speculate, Queen, where have you been? You know, no, been here all morning, just in and out of chat, trying not to look at gains I could have had. I know, right, Amber? I know. No, 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 no. Easy answer. Buy the dips. Keep buying the dips, and you will make gains when it rises. Yeah, yeah, I guess so. I guess so. So I turned so much. I turned green. The morning stocks hot. Sporty. Any nice? Okay. Please says please look at Solano. Okay, sure. I'm actually gonna look at it on like market cap. So Coinbase. Yeah, I'm gonna look at it. Oh wow, it looks good, honestly, right? It looks better than like most cryptos. It looks better than anything else, right? Clee, like, what would you like me to take a look at here? It looks honestly. There's nothing else to say about this, other than like it looks very good. Right? Like, you just have to watch for the round number there, right? So honestly, for me, I'd be looking for $100 there next, right? 80 obviously is a level to pay attention to, but I would be looking for so 80 and $100 there. So that's all I'd be looking for there. If you're looking for an entry, you might have I might be a little bit careful there because you might have missed it already. Right? So should we buy? Alisa says, should we buy or sell Bitcoin? Alisa, why again? Like, what's your reason, right? So it's always important to know why you're asking those questions. Why do you want to buy? Like, why do you want to buy? Why do you want to buy or sell Bitcoin? Well, because those questions are completely opposite, right? It just tells me that you're not completely not sure of what to do. Because again, like, one is should I buy and one should I sell? Like, just completely two opposite, right? So again, for me, question for you, Alisa, is if you have a position right now, like, when you bought that position, what was the intention with that position? Was it to hold for as an investment, like for a long term, right? Give me some details here, and then I can answer your question there, maybe, to see if he is going nuts. Just want to see. You just want to see it, okay? Yeah, no, looks really good. Looks very good there. There you go. Hey, and AMC, guys, AMC 37, 37, and here we go, guys. And also SGOC, we talked about potentially come back down to this level, right? Again, previous time we dropped it, we held this level at $6. Well, we're holding this level here again, so this is actually not too bad here on SGOC here. So let's see if we can turn around here now, guys. So let's see if we can go. So support, nice hold, and we're pumping. So do not FOMO, right? Again, resistance, don't FOMO. Potentially look for an entry as we approach support, right? And have a stop loss. So here we go. So we came back all the way down here to 607, and now we're sitting at 637 here, right? So nice little pump here. So there you go. Again, do not form a resistance, guys. Look for an entry as we approach support, right? And then have a stop loss just in case we break below. Have a stop loss, be ready, right? So there you go. And PMC, just digesting for now, right, guys? Again, we've had a nice run here. We're just digesting for now, so this thing still looks okay here. So here we go, guys. Come on. Very frustrated with these stocks. What could have been with them? Any Debbie? What do you mean, Debbie? Like what are you frustrated with? Like, which stickers are you frustrated with? At $8, I sell it. Okay, and again, that's I know that's FOMO, but you're buying off like its support level, right? Isa, yeah. Yeah, again, you're forming off a support level, so that's not too bad there. So here we go, guys. Look at SGOC. Wow, look at that. That's a 50-cent move already. Six. Wow, look at that. Nice, very nice. Again, you do not form a resistance, guys. You look for an entry, right? Again, the last time this thing had a nice push, came back down to $6 here, 610, and had a nice bounce, right? So this time again, we came back down and tested 610, $6, and we're bouncing again, right? So if you got in there, kudos. But again, what you need to decide now is, okay, you're up, you're green in that position now. have a stop loss, right? Please and thank you guys, right? You're green. Have a stop loss. Whether it's break even, whether it's all the way down here, whether it's below 599, just be ready, right? Just be ready, please. Be ready, be ready. Ready like never before. I don't know why I said that. But yeah, getting ready to run some quick money here. Um, 40 plus on SGOC Horizon. 40 plus. I mean, like you're looking for $40. Nice little yeah, push. There you go. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. I formed around $8 when it was at the top. Oh, at the top, I screwed. It's like a gamble. I don't wait for no support or nothing. Honestly, yeah, okay. Yeah, no, we suggest you wait for those levels. So low is the headline today. How low is the headline today? It's supposed to be growing. What? It's growing, not retracing. How low is the headline? um, Wow, yeah, that's like right, Ryzen. That's actually a very nice push, right? All the way to 670 there, not bad, not a bad push at all there. So very nice, not a bad push. Thoughts on investing in Ethereum 2.0? Whoa, what is going on here? Back to $8, guys. Wow, look at that drop. Back to the $8 support again on PMCB here, guys. So again, be ready, have a stop loss, and yeah, so that's quite the candle there, guys. That is quite the candle. And we're halted on the way down here. So that's a little bit scary. But again, we should be able to bounce up this level like we've done the last bit here, right? So let's see if we can. So halted for the next, yeah, 7 to 10 minutes here, guys. So wow, quite the drop there. Look at that, guys. And then as soon as it drops, guys, again, it seems like AMC is like again, it's diverging with so PMCB and AMC here are doing quite the opposite. So AMC is pushing here now. So AMC, let's go. Is green? Sorry, you deserve all the cows. Oh yeah, no, I know, Andrew. Out on my stop. Okay, you got out at 850 with your stop time. Okay, good job. Good job. Again, stop loss is very important, right? We're halted. Yeah, we're halted. Is day trade use for the stop loss, Fabian? Okay. I feel like for me, like if I got in around $8, my stop loss would be like 7.99 because again, I know obviously $8 is support, right? I'm not gonna have my like I like if I bought in below $8, I'm not gonna have my stop loss above that level. Why? Because again, I know $8 is support. You don't want to have your stop loss above support. You want to have it just below support, right? Just because in case that thing comes down and bounces off $8 and goes again, you're happy, right? Because your stop loss is just below, right? So yep. Dropped harder than your grades. Yeah. Wait, wow. It triggered at 797. Huh? Are you because again, like according to this candle here, right? This thing shouldn't be below unless something else is going on there. But honestly, yeah, it's that's fishy. That's a little bit fishy then. That's a little bit fishy. So trying to Debbie, okay, Debbie, it sounds good. Stocks go up and then all of a sudden they crash like a yo-yo. Oh, Debbie, yeah, I know. I know, Debbie. Honestly, it's just especially the momentum plays, right, Debbie? Like it's just a cycle over and over. So if you can find some really good investment plays, things again, you need to find like when you talk about like pumping and dumping, Debbie, like a lot of these tickers here that are pumping on news, absolutely, they're gonna drop like a yo-yo because why? Because again, people are playing them based on momentum. There's news, they're FOMOing, and they're selling right away, right? It's different when you invest in a company like Apple and things like that. Yeah, those things drop, but it's not as volatile as these ones, right? Debbie. I got mine. Okay, 780. Forgiving. Okay. Oh, hey, they played you. And forgiving says they played you. Yeah, I don't know how you're. Yeah, here we go. AMC, come on. AMC, let's see 40. Let's see 38, please. $38. 38.20, right? Next level of resistance there, guys. Yeah. So 60. Nah, 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 nah. News does affect stocks. Yeah, it does. Debbie. Yeah, yeah, it does. It absolutely does. Again, guys, if you haven't smashed that like yet, guys, take a second, smash that like, hit that subscribe, share the link, and yeah, so helps very much, guys. Helps. Yeah, Queen Green. Green, green, green. Let's see here. What's say? Ashish says, how high could PMCB go? I don't know. No one can tell you that. I mean, it could go as high as because it's done it before. We could easily run. We could go as high as $55, right? Because it's done it before, right? We could also go as low as 225 because it's done it before. But I honestly don't know. Don't know. Uh, Thank you, Debbie. CEO and Zella. Zella, watch at $2. That's where the next level of support is for Zella Hazy. Don't even need to take a look at the chart, right? So, um, yeah, $2 there on Zella. Is Horizon is pumping now? Okay, nice. LAC. Content no fun. No way. Abs cool. Wow, cool. Says this is the best YouTube channel with with good content and no fun. Oh no, absolutely. Not trying to sell you guys anything, guys. Not trying to like yeah, not trying to sell anything to you guys. Not trying to pump any tickers to you guys. Okay, I think we need to some just here to like share information like again like just back and forth, right? Like again, like you guys share a lot of stuff with me and like some really good stuff, some really good tickers. So I really appreciate that, right? So yeah, really appreciate that. And unhalted guys, unhalted on PMCB here. So again, $8 holding for now, and we're trying to turn around here. Oh yeah, I see what you're looking at there. Yeah, I see Fabian. I see why you were kicked out of that play there. Here we go, guys. AMC trying to get back to you. There you go. And also, look at this ticker here, trying to get back to $7 there, right? So nice bounce of support, and now we're looking to push again here. So there you go. Yeah, AMC trying to get back to 38. Nice, I like it. Thanks for all the call out. Absolutely, 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 Raisin. Right. I think I'm pronouncing it Raisin. Right, yeah, Raisin. Yeah, there you go. I think I'm pronouncing your name right. Bogus? Yeah, I know, right? I know that's frustrating, Fabian. But again, that's the plan, right? These guys can see your stop losses. They can see your stop losses right on the level three. They can see exactly where your stop loss is, and they come back down and take and kick you out and then bounce. So there you go. But again, stop losses. The times of stop losses absolutely save you, right? So no regrets, please. Yeah, right. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Good to have you guys. The new faces. I know there's some new faces here. So yeah, good to see. Good to see you guys. Good to see you guys. 3T1, 3T1. 3T1. They didn't update after they halted. It hasn't updated on forgiving since. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Now that you're wow, that's actually Horizon. That's actually very impressive. Like the run on this thing. Again, now what are you looking for here, guys? You're looking for 730, right? If this thing can break above 730 here, it should be good to go again. But yeah, so again, don't buy just like the first time, right? Again, you do not buy this. Then now we have a double top at that level there, right? You want to be really careful here, right? Double top here, all the way down to support. That's where you look for your entry. Why? Because again, just look at the chart, right, guys? Look at the chart. The last time we came down to this that we held. So again, second time here, you're looking for the entry there, and now you want to be really careful here, right? So, oh my goodness, we are destroying it, absolutely destroying it, guys. Look at that. SGOC, guys. Wow. Again, so now the question is, now that we tested this level here, guys, can we close above this level, right? Can we close above this blue line here if we can, and then we're ready to go higher? So again, this level is going to access some there's going to be some profit taking going on here, as you can see already, right? You can see already. Yeah, so we need to close above. So this candle failed to close above that level. Now we're getting a brand new candy here to try and close above 730 as well. If we can close above that level, then we're good to go. But again, you can clearly see there's some resistance here. So yeah. Again, I don't know. I think I honestly can't tell you where this resistance is coming from because again, we've been watching this ticker for some time, and this line was in already before today, right for resistance. So I don't remember why I put this line in there, but I just know that this level is going to be a profit taking level here. So if we can close above this level, then we're good to go higher there. So just be a little bit cautious there. So yeah, yeah, that looks very good there. So. Nah, sure if it's relevant, but if you get the time, please check out change a yeah. SGC. I was watching. I missed the pump horizon. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. Tehran says, "Do you think BTBT will go again?" Yeah, Tehran. Yeah, it will. But again, the question is where run up 3%. Anyway, oh yeah, there you go. Right, it's already BTBT is up 3%, right? At Tehran, so it's going in already. So yeah, yeah, guys, let's get to 200 likes, 200 likes, 200 likes, 200 likes, guys. Yeah, so smash a like. Let's get to 200 likes, guys. Please and thank you. And yeah, and then we can keep going, keep going. So here we go. SGOC looks very good here, honestly. Looks good there. So yeah. So honestly, above this level, what am I looking for here next? Let me see where my next levels are. So it doesn't seem like I added in any other levels here. So again, it's just going to be a game of psychology now, right? So again, every round number obviously is going to be an issue. So the $8 level is going to be an issue. 8.50, right? $9, and obviously $10 is a huge one as well. So for now, let's just watch and see if we can hold 7. If we can hold 7.30 here, and then keep going, right? So that's it for that ticker there. And this thing here again, we clearly know that we have support here $8, right? Clearly on PMCB here. Some let's see if we can hold $8 here and push back back to the nines, guys. Back to 9 and then back to 10. And AMC here, AMC holding 37. I'm completely fine with that there. Completely okay. Yeah, so there you go, to run. Yeah. Like the life and enjoy. Yeah, Pedro. There you go. Bonjour, green. Bonjour. Good morning, Orion. Orion. Wow, you guys are where have you guys been? Green, Orion. Where have you got Pedro? Where have you guys been? You guys are showing up late to the party. To the party. Um, PLTR is looking good, Orion. Okay, good. Let me take a look at PLTR here actually. Mm, PLTR. Way back up. Wow. Yeah, that looks very good actually. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, again, PLTR need Orion, right? We talked about 25 at $25. So 25 is the level that we need to close above from PLTR. And then what are you looking for next? 27, right? So 27, because again, PLTR does that over and over and over. It's 27, back to 23, 22, 24, back to 27, over and over and over and over, right? So let's see if we can at least hold 25 here today and then build off that and keep going. So wow, eat my short, says John. Since I started watching you guys, oh my goodness. Wow, that's incredible. That's incredible. I'm gonna take a screenshot of that. And yeah, that's impressive. Since I started watching you guys, I've made 62K. Thanks, family and hot trades. Wow. Let's give some heart emojis, guys. For everybody that's made some nice gains here in the channel, it's heart emojis, guys. For all of you that are learning and growing as well, heart emojis for everybody. Just heart emojis, guys. To their family, to everybody. Heart emojis, heart emojis, heart emojis, heart emojis to everybody, to all of you guys for the gains. And yeah, so much love, guys. Give a give a give a free member, What do you mean unforgiving? I can't give away membership, right? Unforgiving. You have to, yeah. So if you want to come join us, yeah, there you go. The hearts. Good job, guys. Good job. Yeah. Oh no, yeah, no. John is an amazing supporter to the channel. John is always donating to the channel. Like John, like it's yeah. John is. What else do I want to say? Like John is amazing when it comes to yeah. So Virgo, good to see you, Virgo. Good to see you. How are you, Virgo? Yeah, that's amazing. That's amazing. Zane, hello guys. Hello Sam. Hello. Yeah, the hearts, guys. We yeah. Thank you for sharing the gains. Thank you for sharing the gains. It's nice to see, right, that people actually making some gains. Uh, Justin says, "Pay your taxi while you be getting bar emojis." Yeah. Stuart says, "Yo, looking refreshed after your day off and ready to smash though." Yeah, I'm ready after a nice rest. Let's go, guys. Yeah, that's amazing. I'm happy. I know. Yeah, I know people make some nice gains on here. So yep. Let me see here. I'm sorry, I refuse to pay YouTube at 1 penny. They have done nothing but and your money when you join your large. Yeah, I know, right? Again, that's something that people don't understand, right? The amount, like the percentage that YouTube takes, like from everything. It's pretty like it's like when I first thought that it was staggering. I was like, are you kidding? You kidding? Where's the support for Dennis? I'll take a look here. VRPX, I'll take a look. We have a new member, guys. Mr. Pump, Nigel. Let's go. Unforgiving. New member, guys, on Forgiving. Thank you very much for the support. Really appreciate that. Welcome to the family. Send me an email. Email at the top of the screen there, and I'll send you an invite to come join us in Discord. Yeah, guys, come join us in Discord if you're not a member. All you have to do is follow the link here that's being posted right now. Join, and then you can come join us and hang out with us. There you go. So in my John, I'm holding BTBT at 5 because Eric Fomo BTBT will run. Earnings is a risk, but is strong. Yeah, I know. Again, like Johnny, in like a really good position, right? Like you're super low. Honestly, you're well over 100%. You have nothing to worry about on BTBT there. Nothing to worry about. Yeah, absolutely right, Stuart. Absolutely. Welcome. Welcome, guys. Yeah, again, make sure if you have any questions, make sure you're asking. Right, there's anything you don't understand, make sure you ask. Right, there's a lot of knowledge in here. Right, like everybody in the people like Amber that scalp every single all the time. Like there's a lot of knowledge that people like Dealer, Peter, just a whole bunch of people in here. So if you have any questions, yeah, like Stuart has a lot of knowledge. Right, if you have any questions, make sure you're asking so you're not leaving the stream with questions. Right, yeah, that's the whole point of this. Right, right, community, and learn and make some gains together here. So not to FOMO and share FUD, right? So there you go. There you go. Yeah, this $8 here on this thing here is having a hard time here. So again, have your stop loss, right, guys? Make sure you have a stop loss. If you bought in an $8 support here this morning, we go on an absolute run to $10. You want to be careful at $10. You want to be super careful here at $10, and then all of a sudden we're back below $8 here, right? So you shouldn't be going red. If you're getting in at $8 and we're pushing to $10 here, there's no way, absolutely no way, you should be going red on this position, right? So again, I've explained my strategy over and over and over, right? So for example, if I buy at support like we're supposed to, right? I buy $8, for example. If we push all the way to, let's say we pushed 850, well, 850, right away my stop loss is getting put in at $8 here, right? Why? Or 7.99. Why? Because again, I do not want to go right in a position that's already green. Okay, that's good. We pushed to $9. Okay, now I want to lock in a little bit of profit. So where's my stop loss going to be at now, guys? Maybe 810, maybe 820, maybe 830, whatever level I'm happy with. We pushed it to $10 here. Well, take a look at the chart here. We're getting warning signs, right? You guys know this, right? Again, it's 1, it's 2, it's 3, it's 4, it's 5, it's 6 candles here. And then all of a sudden we get a red candle. What does that tell you? That tells you that, okay, this level is resistance. There's some profit taking going on here. We're about to sell off here, right? So yeah, that's just and now we're sitting at 760 here. So yeah, just be you with like, again, guys, with momentum plays like this, you want to make sure you lock in those gains, or at least have a stop loss, right? Lock in those gains, because you will never regret, like, at least like protecting your initial, or right, or protecting your initial, or locking in a little bit of gains. Like, you never regret that. The most annoying thing is like having your gains and then losing, and then just absolutely losing everything after being green. Like, that is frustrating. Like, that's very annoying. Like, when you're green and then you lose everything, it's like, man, I should have at least like not gone red in that position there. So yeah, very frustrating. PRT on a nice pullback to 25 support. Okay, nice. Ryzen, nice. Do we get points on our birthday? D-Lib, it's your birthday. Happy birthday, D-Lib. Happy birthday. Thank you very much. Absolutely. Can we give a, yeah? Okay, there you go. At points, D-Lib. Sure. Okay, there you go. Yeah. Peter added you some points already. Peter, thank you very much. Thank you. Glad yeah, Fabian, exactly right, Fabian. Yeah, I know, right? You were saying, oh my goodness, right? I well, it kicked me out with the stop loss, but honestly, for me, I would rather the stop loss kick me than hold, because I'm scared of losing a day trade, and then all of a sudden I'm now losing, right? So on that position, I'd rather lose a day trade than lose a gains, guys, right? So There you go. And AMC here, guys. AMC looks fine, right? AMC looks completely fine here. What are we looking for here on AMC? The bare minimum, guys, for today is at least, can we hold above? Can we hold above? Can we hold above? I'm 37 here today. Well, guess what, guys? So again, we talked about not FOMOing into this play here, right? Do you not FOMO as we get into resistance here, guys? What do you want to buy? You want to buy support. Where's support? 610, 620, right? 610, $6 here, right? So again, we came down to this level. Nice little bounce here. Okay. Do you want to FOMO here now? Again, as we're approaching it, potentially a double top here? No, right? We push all the way to 770 here. What do you want to do here now? You want to wait for a retracement back up again. Whenever we break above a key resistance level, guys, this level here, right? As soon as we break above this level, now this level is going to act as support. So what do you want to do? You want to let it push. You want to let it come back and test that level and prove to you that it's going to hold that level, confirmation hold, and before you get in, right? Again, you get in, and then now we're exploding again here, right? So SGOC here, guys, looks very good. So if you play those two entry levels there, well, you're very happy with those plays there now, right? So there you go. There you go. There you go. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. There's a new member? Oh, I think I missed it. Did I miss a new member? No, I got unforgiving. Unforgiving? Yeah, new member. Let's go, Virgo. Absolutely. It's on fire? Absolutely, guys. Yeah. What a TA entry on VRPX. Dennis, I would completely ignore VRPX. That's just me. Let me take a quick look here. VRPX, yeah, for now, where are we sitting at on VRPX? Yeah, 20, yeah, we broke below 25, right? I would be a little bit careful there. We talked about, okay, this thing is pushing to 36. Don't touch it, please, right? Again, it's up 200% one day. The next day is up another 100%, right? That's a huge run, right? Breaking below 25 here is a warning sign to me. Honestly, for me, if you believe in the company, yeah, maybe you can do it. But for me, I'm just going to stay away. We could easily push to 28 here again today, but I'm just going to stay away from that play. It's had a crazy run already for me. It's just it might be too much to. Lions Mike Leon says MMAT is running. Okay, I'll take a look at MMAT, guys, because I know MMAT is actually one that a lot of you guys are holding, right? MMAT. It's one that we talked about. Okay, this thing is finding the bottom, right? How much lower can it go? MMAT, right? So yeah, so MMAT not a bad play, and it's actually moving here today. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Finally, yeah. So let me take a quick look at MMAT here. So again, I think the levels are fairly the same here for me. Nothing's really changed, right, for MMAT for me. Right. So the question for MMAT is, can we hold $3? Can we hold $3? Can we break above $4? Because for now, we're not really going anywhere, right? We're not really going anywhere on MMAT. We need to hold $3. We need to break above four. If we can confirm and break above four, right, and then we're good to go. Can you please look at mRNA? Do you think it will hit 500 anytime soon? Tehran? Yeah, we talked about mRNA here for multiple days now, right? So again, what is it? 374 potential entry level there. 374, right? 374. Is that entry level there? The reason why mRNA could continue running is because, well, obviously these guys are coming up with booster shots, right? For the new vaccine, for the new for the new variants. I'm glitching, guys. They come up with new variants, right? Come up with new variants, and also they're waiting for an FDA approval, right? So again, that could be a very nice catalyst for those guys. So, yeah, Dennis, we've talked about BTBT. So if not, can you look at BTBT when you get a chance? Yeah, Dennis, are you in BTBT, Dennis? Let me know. We've talked about BTBT, so BTBT is bouncing here a little bit today. It looks okay. Looks okay there. La la. MNC shares they all not get with them. Yeah, I know. Yeah, they have till like December to give you those dividends, those dividend shares. Green bakers waiting for those dividend shares, guys. To torch dividend shares. One second here, guys. I just need to quickly check a DM here. Just need to quickly take a look at. Uh, there you go. And where we at? Okay, we're back to testing it on SGOC here, guys. We're back to testing this previous support here, right? Again, it seems like we're gonna break below here now. Again, in between 730 here and $7 Yeah, watch those two levels. Those two levels again. Nice push, retracement to this level, and now we're testing this level here again, right? So close of this candle in the next 25 seconds here. Let's see if we can hold this level again, right? So if you're buying at these levels, right? Let's say you're buying on these levels, and we're pushing, we're pushing a dollar higher. Your stop loss should be in place, right? Should be ready. Should be ready. So there you go. Should be ready. And we're trying. We're trying to hold that support again, guys. So let's see if we can hold and bounce again off that level. And yeah, so this thing looks okay here. We're playing around $8 here for now. So it looks okay there. And here we go, guys. Look at that bounce. Wow, wow. 730 support. Nice bounce to 744 here. So not too bad there. I'm starting to get some warning signs here for this thing, guys. Not SGOC, this ticker here. Why? Because again, you can clearly see here now that we broke below support, and now that level is resistance, right? So this is becoming concerning here now. So yeah, here we go, SGOC. Wow, guys, look at that. Another support bounce, test and hold, right? So test and hold, nice push. Test, support again and hold, and we're pushing again here, right? So very good. Oh no! As soon as I said that, uh, that candle went from like 760 all the way down to 740. So interesting. And AMC just completely going sideways here, which is honestly for me like AMC just flagging here now. I have no concerns about AMC for now. So no concerns, not right now. 39. Yeah, guys, are we at 200 likes yet, guys? Smash that like, guys. Let's get to 200 likes, please and thank you. So smash that like, hit that subscribe, share the link. You're in btbt at 10. Okay, that's Dennis, amazing. Dennis, if I yeah, I'm sure that a lot of people wish that are wishing Dennis they had $10, your $10 entry. Yeah, Dennis, $10 is pretty good. That for me, right? We talked about. I think you are late, but again, the perfect level for me, like again, nothing's really perfect here, right? So on the way up, Dennis, we talked about, what did we talk about, Dennis? We talked about, okay, we talked about 9 and 10, right? So break above 9 and 10. What are we looking for? We're looking for 14. We're looking for 18. We're looking for 20, right? We did all of that. Vice versa, on the way down, Dennis, what are we looking for support? We're looking for those same levels, right? We're looking for 20. We're looking for 18. We didn't quite close about 18 or 20, so those levels are not going to act as support. We're looking for 14, right? You notice that we bounced up 14 a few times because again, we closed above that level, 14. So below 14, what are we looking for potentially? I know we talked about 12s and 11s, but again, ultimately, according to the chart, $10 would be that level, right? So if you're in at $10, that's not too bad, Dennis. They're still in the green from the last big run. I will keep holding. I'm not losing anything to. Yeah, exactly. D-lib, right? So not holding anything special. Yeah, absolutely, Dennis. Absolutely. Can't watch as much as. Yeah, listen. I'm gonna. Yeah, okay. Sounds good, Fabian. Sounds good. Have a good day, Fabian. Have a good day at work. Good day. La la. Are we going to lunch hour here? Okay. 43 minutes till lunch here, and yeah, some volume. You can clearly tell here, right? That, again, the first hour is usually like the most exciting, right? Most exciting, and then as we go into lunch here, things get super slow, and then end of the day, we pick up again, right? So let's see if we can carry the momentum here. What's I know Doge is on the on the list there, guys, of things to watch here today, but it's yeah. Let me take a look and see what Doge is doing here. So still sitting above 29 cents there, right? So nothing really, nothing really to see with Doge there, guys. Nothing to see. Nothing to see. Gracias. De nada. Uh, no. Martin, does a good stock on to scalp up is up 7% and you in at 5,510. Okay, let me take a look, Martin. I know WHLM is one that I was holding for a bit as well. Okay, in at 510. Okay. Well, so you bought it today, Martin. Is a good stock to scalp. Up, it's up 7%. Okay. Honestly, Martin, again, you can never tell, right? We can guess on with like where the ticker is gonna go to, but I think honestly the best strategy that I found for myself is if you're happy with the profits, Martin, like take them, right. 1 second here. Let me take a look at the chart though. So I can clearly see here that we have resistance right around $6 there. We're up about 36 cents here today, 7%. So it's looking very good here today. Right. Let me take a look here. So 750 for the day. Last five, 750. Yeah, you're in a 510. You're actually sitting in a good spot there for today. You're actually sitting in a good spot there because we have some support at 550 there. Support at 550, resistance at all the way at 650. So you're sitting really good there. But what I would do, Martin, is find a level to set a stop loss at that you're happy with. That's again, you do not want to go right again in that position, right? So please and thank you, Martin. Don't go right in that position, right? So whether your stop loss is 510 or 520 or wherever it's at, find a level and set a stop loss. But again, your position is fairly good. Again, we have support at 550, resistance. We have a lot of room all the way to 650 to go to, right? So you're sitting pretty dim. Skills, start on skills. Skills. Let's see here. At $10. $10 is the level there for skills. If you can get an entry there at $10, if you look at if you go back all the way to May of the since the IPO, cool, you're gonna realize that this thing likes to come to $10 and bounce up 10. So if you can get 10, that would be a nice entry there. So again, if you believe in the company, right? Again, most of this stuff, guys, is half of it, right? So scalping to the moon. Yeah, most of this stuff is half of it, right? So again, there's fundamental analysis, which that's looking into the company, the financials, right? The numbers, what the company's looking like, the outlook, what the future of the company holds, and then there's technical analysis, right? Again, technical analysis is very important, but so is fundamental analysis, right? So if those two things can align, you can make some nice money, right? You can make some nice gains if you find a good company that's sitting at a really good level, just like btbt, right? Just like btbt, fundamentals align with the technicals, right? Again, the reason we like btbt was because it was sitting at the bottom according to the ta. Also, the crypto market was trying to turn around here, right? So again, the bitcoin mining company. So both of the two things aligning together equals some nice solid gains, right? So that's what you want to look for, right? So again, as much as I'm telling you to look for $10 here, also if you believe in the company, start scaling in, right? So let's run to 4, Martin. Absolutely, super chat, guys. Let's go, Dilip. Guys, you're looking for. Let's go. Thank you very much for the super chats. So thanks for all. And fam, yeah, a good group. I recommend people to join large troop of knowledge. For my birthday, I want to see new members join. You'll regret it. Make you will make gains. We learn and we have lots of fun. Yeah, absolutely, Dilip. Thank you much. Thank you very much for the support. Really appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Hi guys. Dilip says for his birthday, he would like to see some new members come join us in Discord. So there you go. Thank you very much, Peter. Thank you. FIFA Rat says, I'm good. How are you? I'm good. How are you, FIFA? La, la. Can you check the daily and works? That squeeze could happen today. Needed to break about $3 and hold. And Andrew, oh, I will. I will. Let me see him. I will. I will for sure. For sure. I just want to see who's at the top of the leaderboard here. My first option for $2, green. Nice. Again, green. Again, you have to start somewhere, right? Green. So yeah, you have to. So Andrew's currently leading, followed by Fabian, and then Amber, Arvin, Collective, and Queen of Hearts, and green. So there you go. I still can see the charts. Oh no, Gambo isn't available today. Gambo's for Fridays only. Otherwise, it becomes very messy. Very messy, guys. Very very messy. I have not FIFA. No. Xria? No, I have not. Which unforgiving? Which charts are you looking for? Unforgiving. Since let me know again. You mean the numbers on the screen here? You can only see the numbers when I click on them. So for example, when I click on AMC, you can now see AMC's price target price on the far right here. Same thing with this thing here, right? So yeah. Yeah, that's why sometimes I like to only have two charts on screen on forgiving, so it's very easy to see what's going on. Yeah, so Oh, Discord chats. Oh, unforgiving. Oh, the chats. Okay, okay. That's what you're talking about. Oh, okay, okay. So what you have to do is unforgiving. So what you have to do is, so you when you join Discord using the link, right? You have to go down bottom left. You have to click on settings. You have to click on settings, and then again, a list is going to show up to you, and then you have to click on connections, and then click on YouTube, and then sign in, and then you'll be good to go. Unforgiving. But it pops up now. After you restart it. Okay, sounds good. Okay, sounds good. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah, guys. If you're not a member yet, come join us. If you want to, right? So if you want to, come join us in Discord. Come join us. So the link is right there. If you could say please, I want to make sure it's not another rock pool project. Okay, I will. Whenever I get a second, I will. Losing money on PMCB. What's the Zane? What's the entry on PMCB there? What's the entry? What's your entry? Yeah, guys, if you guys need any help with your position, just let me know, right? So let me know I'm in this position at this price and this. I'm looking to do this, and we can take a look and together, right? So 9 days. It's looking froggy, Martin. Froggy, froggy. Too high. Zane. Okay, let me take a look. You entered at 880. Let me take a look. Oh yeah, yeah. Most like yeah. I'm not sure if you were green at any point here, but yeah, you definitely again like you yeah you got in a little bit high there. Yeah. So Zain, do you have a stop loss in mind, or like what's the plan here? Again, this thing doesn't look too bad. The fact that we keep again, this thing needs to get above $8 here soon, otherwise we're gonna flush again, right? So if we can find a way to break above eight, then you might be okay there. But do you have do you have a plan, right? Do you have a stop loss in mind or anything, Zain? Let me know. Yeah, AMC is just sideways, 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 guys, which is still fine, right? This is completely okay here on AMC. So it's just slow. I was going to exit at 890, but it dropped the second you bought it. Okay, Zane. Honestly, Zane, when you got in at 880, when you're looking for 10 cents, Zane, right? When you're looking for 10 cents, this is why we recommend you wait, right? Be patient. Like 10 cents, it's easy to get, right? Right, Zane? When you're looking for 10 cents, why not wait, right, Zane? Like, why not wait for a drop like this to clear support level? For example, right? We dropped the support here, right? To support. Even if we do drop below, you can tell that you're obviously going to get a 10 cent, right? So, for example, this is $8. Well, guess what we bounce all the way to? We bounce all the way to 814. That's your 10 cents, right? So let's say you kept holding. Well, that's 830 there, right? So again, let's say we drop, you buy eight again, we drop below. Well, obviously we're right back above. We're back to 812, right? So again, when you buy around in and around like support levels, then it's easier to navigate, right? Rather than like catching a knife at the top here as we're pumping and foaming, it's like it's hard to do, right? To get 10 cents off levels like that. So yeah, honestly, EMC is on the stair away from on the stairway from heaven, Maddie. Yeah, there you go. And here we go, right? So again, that $8 day, right? Just like we talked about here, that concerning, right? Oh my goodness. Look at that drop, right, guys? Again, what happens here when we like just like I mentioned that I'm concerned about this thing failing to get above $8 here. Why? Because the longer we sit below $8 here, guys, the more people panic, right? That will eventually this resistance is not gonna break. And then look at this now. We're sitting at 77714 here, right? I don't know. Yeah, Zin, I'm not sure if you had a stop loss, but yeah, this is yeah, that's quite the drop there. That's quite the drop. Uh, there you go. Good entry on belts says sure. On verb, yeah, verb is like, yeah. Again, maybe Andrew can help you here. So verb you're in good entry on verb. You're in at $1.89. Let me take a look at verb. Verb. Oh yeah, yeah, not too bad there, right? Again, verb is a long term play, right? A longer term play. So yeah, I don't mind that at all. Just make sure you're ready. Another day for me missing out on potential yacker. Yeah, that's okay. Always gonna have days like that. Listen, try and error works great way, but easier to let. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, thoughts for a week out. For oh yeah, no, Branko, a week out. For me, not interested in PMCB, right? Because again, a lot of these names, guys, will show up on the runners list today. Because again, low float, good news, right? They will show up on the list and then pump today and be read tomorrow, right? So again, it does that over and over and over. So if you're asking for a week, I don't know what to tell you. Why are the coins down? It's just yeah, everything, right? Everything retracing here today. So look at this. Even SGOC here now, right? So retracing back down here. So below $7. Everything, guys. As we approach lunch here, 30 minutes till lunch, some profit taking going on everything, on everything, on everything there. So I'm gonna pull up that there. Don't know what to do with. I know, right? Zane, again, Zane, that's where you have to be ready, right? Zane, like just make sure you have a, again, as soon as you buy it, you need to make sure you have a stop loss in mind, right? So again, I know you're planning for like 10 cents higher, but also what do you do when this thing drops below, right? So it's easy from, like, it's easier when like it's a company that you actually believe in, right? And then you can keep holding even if it does drop. But again, I bet this is just a pure momentum play for most people, right? No one's really buying this because of they believe in the company or fundamentals, right? So again, that's why you need to make sure when you're hoping for the upside, 10 cents in the upside, well, your stop loss should be 10 cents on the downside as well, right? So 1 to 1 at least, right? 1 to 1. If you want to make, like, again, you want to make 10 cents on the upside, well, maybe your stop loss on the downside should be 10 cents because again, you get it at 870. Well, you're happy now because we're all the way down to $7 here, right? So there you go. From support. A few bounds. Arvin, it seemed. Let me take a look here. So I know the support around 28, right? So 28, 29, right? So we should be able to bounce of 28 cents on Doge, of 28 cents. Yaker, give me your intelligence. Oh, no, it's just a little bit of experience, Yaker, right? Just a little bit of experience, just like a lot of people in the chat here, in the chat here have. Just hang around for a bit, and you're gonna learn a lot of stuff. Just hang around. Just hanging around. Yaka says bye bye SGOC. Yeah, again, a lot of these names, guys. This is why we like. This is why we like we tell you over and over and over. Please, guys, have a stop loss. Please make sure you like you're locking in gains because you got like SGOC is not a new name here to the list. It's not a new name, right? This thing does this over and over. Like it pumps 100%. The next day it's down 20%, and then it's down for the next week, and then it shows up again the next week. It pumps another 100%. It's down for the next week, right? So that's why you want to make sure that you are like again you're locking in those gains and playing it over and over and over and over, right? So you need to realize that okay, like when you're playing stuff like this is a pure momentum play, right? You need to differentiate between those two. When it's a momentum play, guys, you need to lock in those profits. You need to have your stop losses. When it's a when it's a play that you actually believe in, right? Then you can say, okay, whatever. Even if it does drop, I believe in the company. We should be able to keep going higher, right? So there you go. But again, I feel like nobody believes in a PMCB here or SGOC. This is just pure momentum. So you want to be really careful. Be really careful. Verb is taking part in virtual conference today. They are presenting. They having yeah, Verb. Okay, real profits might start coming in a month or two. Okay, sounds good, Andrew. Yeah, Andrew is our Verb expert, guys. Verb expert, expert in a lot of names as well. Zella and yeah, some. Joy, what am I replying to, Joy? You have any idea on Binance future trade? I have no idea. No idea. Like, oh, I had a stop loss as but it got halted and didn't sell. Oh, I didn't. Might just hold at this point. Zane. Okay. Okay, sounds good, Zane. Yeah, that's yeah. I trade futures. I minus future. I have no idea, Joy. So Oni's asking here, is Wish dying? Again, now you guys know Oni, right? I've said this quite a few times already. I do not like, again, like for me, like if AMC decides to run, if AMC decides to squeeze anytime soon, or GME, right? Wish is gonna follow. Wish is gonna squeeze as well. It's gonna move because it's in the it's part of the meme group, right? But again, I do not like Wish because again, like the whole business model is in trouble, right? These guys like ship a lot of stuff, like right, like from Asia to to other continents, and like obviously like all of that stuff has been delayed and things like this, and it's just like a whole bunch of rubbish, and that's why they missed earnings, right? That's why they missed earnings. Guidance will most likely wasn't good as well, and that's why they're really struggling. So for me, again, you can gamble on that play because it's sitting at the bottoms there, so you can gamble there. But for me, I'm just gonna avoid it. Yeah, I like plays, honestly, Oni. I like plays that have like fundamentals, but also potential of a squeeze, right? So both of those two things combined. Because if I'm buying Wish right now, all I'm hoping for is a squeeze, 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 squeeze. Well, what if that doesn't happen? What if the company goes bankrupt? What if this and this and this happens, right? So that would be my only concern there for Wish, right? So again, Wish could easily squeeze, like it's shorted, right? If AMC squeezes today, Wish will run. But again, that's an if, right? I like to have those two. There you go. Super chat from Andrew. Let's go, Andrew. Thank you very much for the super chat. Andrew says, "Thank you for the kind words. It's amazing how one person can make so many people feel so good. This entire community is amazing. Much love. Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. Andrew, really appreciate you again. You know, you bring a lot of knowledge. You share a lot of stuff with me, so very much appreciate it. So, let's go. Taylor says, "Yeah, that's amazing, Taylor. Because it's amazing, right? Like it's amazing, like how we have such an like we see people. What am I trying to say here? I don't know if I've ever seen Taylor's name, but it maybe just because like we have so many names. Obviously, I like there's so much stuff to remember. But Taylor, I don't know if I've ever seen you here in the chat. It might be your first time like typing, but then like I like that, Taylor. Again, thank you for the feedback, Taylor. Let me take a look at SGOC here. So Jordan is asking here, entry for SGOC, Jordan. It's like honestly for me, right? The entries are easy to call, like in like the first 2 hours, like they're easy to call. But then as soon as we start going to lunch here, guys, you want to be really careful because obviously people are taking profits now, and volume is slowly dying down here, right? So you want to be really careful. But watch $6 here, right? Again, we talked about $6 earlier today, right? Do not FOMO on the way up here, right, guys? Do not FOMO. Wait for $6. So again, you got in at $6 here earlier today. We had a nice push, right? Nice push, broke above, came back and tested it out. Nice push there again. So right now we're trying to turn around here. So if you're looking for an entry, I would rather buy this thing back on a break above this level here, right? So again, a nice break above and hold that would confirm that okay, we're ready to go even higher. Or again, you can see that we clearly have somewhat of it's a slanted head and shoulder. So again, shoulder, head, and shoulder here, and then that's where this drop comes from, right? So you can see that we're trying to find support here. So either wait for $6 here potentially, right, for an entry level, and then have a stop loss, right? So again, when you're buying in, guys, have a stop loss. Please and thank you, right? Don't just buy and hope that this thing explodes. Also protect yourself a little bit, right? So again, six or maybe a break above say 730 here and hold, and then you can go, right? So something like this, right? Again, break and hold, right? Push above, come back and test and hold, and then that confirms to you that okay, we're ready to go even higher, right? So again, this is 730 here, right? Push to all the way to 777 here, come back and test and hold, and then we pushed them to above $9, $8 there, right? So again, confirmation, right, guys? Confirmation. Confirmation. Thoughts on Branko says thoughts on DD. Let me take a look at DD here. So it's been a bit since I looked at DD, guys. So yeah, honestly, DD is struggling here today. My again, you can gamble on DD a little bit. Branko, you can gamble on DD. If you're in DD already, let me know. Maybe I can give you. Let me know, right? If you're in this place, guys, let me know because my answer is different, right? Jordan, I'm sorry. Johan, I'm sorry. Johan caught me off guard there a little bit. Johan, as for wish, stop wishing. There you go, right? So yeah. So for DD, honestly, my only concern here for DD is because there's a lot of negative news coming out of China for DD, right? There's a lot of negative news. I feel like you could just wake up any single day and DD is gonna drop like another 20% because China is finding these guys a little bit more, or they're getting delisted from the New York Stock Exchange, right? So there's just so much negative news around that ticker there. Even though we're sitting at some really good levels for now. Again, if you're in it, let me know and I can potentially look at those levels for you. So here we go, guys. So again, another strategy that I like to use, I can show you guys this over and over and over and over again. Why? Again, so when you're looking for a back test on a ticker, guys, when you are looking for a back test, what do you look for? What do you look for? Again, when you're looking for a drop here, you do not catch the knife, right? Again, look at this. That's a huge drop. Don't catch that knife. Don't catch this knife either. What are you looking for? You're looking for this, and you're looking for volume, right? So take a look at the volume on these two candles here, and then all of a sudden, what happens? The selling pressure completely dies off, right? And then you can see here that we have support here now, right? You can see here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles holding this level, and then all of a sudden we start getting some green volume here, right? What does that tell you? Okay, that tells you okay, well, this huge selling pressure here is gone, and now the selling pressure is completely not, it's non-existent, and we're starting to turn around here. What does that tell you guys? That tells us that, okay, potentially we're gonna have a nice little take, we're gonna go on a nice little run here, right? So again, should you FOMO here, be careful, be careful around this level, because again, but we're coming up to resistance here, right? So be a little bit cautious there now. And yeah, so PMCB here trying to turn around here, guys. Trying again, very similar here, right, guys? You do not FOMO. What do you look for? You guys see this play out over and over, right? So you do not FOMO on the way down, right? You wait for this thing to settle, right? Again, you can clearly see here that we settled around this level, and now we're trying to turn around here, around right around $7 there, right? So I'm gonna put a line here right around sevens. Yep, right. So you can see now that we're trying to turn around here. So let's see if we can do that. AMC here, guys, is just volume is just it's slow. Like it's slow there. It's slow. Justin Doge. Doge. What's Doge doing? Oh my goodness, Doge. You guys are spamming Doge. It seems like something's happening with Dogecoin, guys. Let me take a look. Is Doge above 30 cents? Is it above 30 cents? Oh wow! Let's go, Doge. So I'm gonna have to replace something here on the list, guys. I'm gonna have to replace something here as Doge is testing that key level there, right? So that we talked about. So I'm gonna replace SGOC here for a bit. We'll come back though, right? We will come back to this ticker. So here we go, guys. Again, Doge looking very strong there, right? So we talked about right this level here, right? 30 cents, guys. 30 cents, right? If Doge can find a way to break above 30 cents on an hourly candle, and then it looks very good, right? So again, another hourly candle, the daily candle there, and then nothing's really changed, right? So come on, Doge, give us 30 cents. The Doge rocket, guys. I like how you guys are all spamming Doge, and free Cybertrucks for everyone. Steve, let's go. So again, would I FOMO into Doge at this level here, guys? I'd be a little bit cautious. Why? Because resistance, right? So let's see if we can break above first. Wow. It's slow, but it has been a good gainer over the last week or two. Okay, nice deal. City Moon says, oh yeah, guys, oh yeah. Come on, we are, guys. We're breaking about 30 cents. I like that a lot, right? So 28. Let's see if we can get back about 30 cents there and hold above some. So the daily candle. Give me a second, guys. I just want to see what the daily candle is, because that's what's most important to me, right? I just want to see where the daily candle is sitting at for now. Wow, guys. Wow, look at that. Look at that thing go. 30. Let me see what the daily candle is looking like. I'm gonna look at it on a so I don't change the chart there for you guys. I'm just gonna take a look at it on my phone here. Trading view chart. I just want to see how much time the daily candle has for me here. So okay, so we have another 8 hours. Another 8 hours. I don't think you guys can see that. Nope. So we have another 8 hours there on this candle, like the daily candle here. If we in 8 hours, if we can close about 30 cents, we look completely fine. So if so, when we came back down and tested 28 cents. We tested the 50-day moving average and we're bouncing. So those looks very good then. Wow, it will. It will. Yeah, guys. Yeah. Let's see those rockets, guys. Let's see those Doge rockets. Come on, Doge. Who who's with me? Parabolic to 93 cents, Christian. No, not yet. It should be already have been support by now. I know, right? Hustlots. I know. AMC now follow. AMC should follow Doge. Yeah. Let me see him. So I'm gonna quickly put up two tickers here for now. Not that's not what I want to do. Them some. There you go, guys. So AMC and Doge, and then I'll bring up the other tickers here in a bit. Yeah, 93 cents. Here we come. 93 cents. Here we come. Guys, we're not at 200 likes yet, guys. Come on, smash a like. Let's get to 200, please and thank you. Please and thank you, guys. Very much appreciated. Yeah, so smash that like. Let's get to 200 likes, please and thank you. Bway, la la. Uh, la 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 Yeah, guys, thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, 20 more likes, guys. 20 more likes, and we're gonna smash 200 likes. And yeah, let's keep going. So again, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to smash a like, hit that subscribe, and share the link as well if you can. Please and thank you. Very much appreciated. So yeah, uh, nah. Did you talk about J&J? No, I haven't. On I have not talked about J&J. Look at that, guys. AMC is looking to follow as well. Come on, the meme stock and meme coin, guys. Put on Tesla news yesterday. Robin put out the Tesla news. Okay, yeah, yeah. Tesla on the investigation. Yeah, Doge and AMC. Morally, let's go, guys. Wow, look at this, guys. We're actually almost at 31 cents. Oh my goodness, look at that bounce there, guys. Love that, guys. I absolutely, that's amazing. That's amazing. I like that very much. Again, obviously 31 cents is going to be resistance, right? So, wow. Very, yeah, diversify. Yeah. Investor 17, is it a good idea to average the price by buying more now? Cool. What's your initial entry on microvision? Stock move like, why BTBT stock move like that at JC? I'm not sure what you're asking. Relaunches as Vitalik, uh, is this new, Morgan? I think that came out. Yeah, the foundation. I think that came out I think that came out last night or this morning. So it's not new, like right new in terms of like right now, but it's yeah, it's fairly new in terms of like maybe yesterday or today. Yeah. So I'll take a look at Twitter. I looked at that this morning. So let's see. I think I might actually have that still up here on that tweet. There you go. Here you go, Morgan. You bought at $17 on Microvision. Well, honestly, for me, Microvision 17 is not the entry for Microvision. Vitalik on the Doge train. Yeah, who isn't on the Doge train, guys? Who isn't on the Doge train? So obviously, 31 cents, guys. We broke about 31 cents. What are we looking for here next? Um, there's another line of resistance. Yes, again, all these lines that you see on the way up here, these are just resistance lines. These are just lines. These are just areas where people take profits at. So yeah, just be yeah. Here we go, Doge. Wow. Yeah. So again, watch 32 cents there next, right? So I'm just happy this thing found a way to break back above 30 cents because again, this brings a lot of confidence to a lot of people, like a lot of confidence, right? Breaking above 30 cents again, and we're going for 32 cents again. This just feels different. Feels nice. Come on, AMC. You took a nap star? Okay. I love this channel, community, Fabian. I love you guys too. This AM, this am I screwed? M Sense, what's the entry on PLTR? Foundation returns with Elon Musk rep and Vitalik as advisor 4 hours ago. Peter, okay, so it's not new, but it's today, right? This morning, so yeah. Wow. Foundation, the Doge Foundation, guys. The news is coming out slow, kind of good. Okay, so maybe people are actually just finding out about this now. So let me take a look at Twitter here. Actually, let me take a look at Twitter. News is coming out slow. Cheering on a cheering on all AMC apes merely, absolutely, absolutely. Yeah. Again, even if you're not holding AMC, it's nice to see like people win, right? So yeah, whether it's with Dogecoin, whether it's with AMC, absolutely amazing to see people win here. So all good. It's like the good old days, AMC and Doge on screen, Alan. Yeah, the good old days, guys. AMC and Doge pumping together, right? AMC and Sun, AMC and Sun. So if you can, I'll probably be happy. Oh yeah, Queen. If this thing breaks above 35 again, that just changes the sentiment, right? That changes everything completely. People now like it's just different now. People are looking for a lot higher now. So yeah. Neuralink CEO is on the Dogecoin Foundation. Yeah. You wonder why, Travis? Travis, there's been speculation. The reason I haven't said this is because there's been speculation about like Dogecoin Neuralink and it going to like $2,500, guys. Again, I haven't been saying anything about this just because it's just because